Alrighty, good morning everybody. Good morning, good morning. Good afternoon, good evening. Let's get to it. All right, what's up everybody? Let me get my video up here 1 second. Hey, 360. All right. Good morning everybody. What's up everyone? Hope you guys are having a great day so far. We are back with another day here. I'm excited. I'm glad to be here. It's good to be back at the desk. If you're pumped up to be here, let's get some likes going on in the stream. Let's get some W's in the chat. And let's get this day started off with a bang, man. You want to see W's today? Let's see them right now. Let's just start spamming the chat with W's here. W's coming in, W's going out, man. W's all in between. Man, we got blessings on blessings on blessings here today. Yes sir, it's a new day. It's a new day, man. Let's get to it. Yep, there they go. What up, Scott? Good morning, Scott. Good morning, Bradley's in the building. Good morning, Z Gamers in the house. Let's go. Crypto Madden's here. Kate was good. Shiro was good. C4 was good. Luke, what's good, man? Hey, Rick. There's Rick. That guy TK's in the building. Yes, sir. Rafi's here. Rafi. Who we got? Future FX in the building. Yep. Yes, sir. Caleb's in the house. Walls in the building. Got the trades here. Nice. Flowers here. Ghost of me's here. Let's go. Simon's in the building. Hey, 1% trades here. Peter's here. Jason's here. Let's go. Heck yeah, man. Arun's in the building. Pablo's here from the greatest place on earth. The Gourmet Code is in the building. All right, new name. Oh, Prickly's here. I see y'all. I see you guys. Anthony Fernandez in the building. Christian's here. George is here. DL's in the building. Oh, nice. Officially 1 month on stream for me. Nice. There's Green. All right, that's my buddy who I was looking for. Okay, now we can start the show. Hey, David. Jeanette's here. What up, Jeanette? Good morning, Jim. Good morning, Total FX. Good morning, Randy. Good morning. I missed it. 7-2 snipers in the house. Let's go. Good stuff, gang. Good stuff. Y'all getting me excited, man. Let's go. Big Folk Red's here. Yes. All right, we got a party now. We have a party now. Okay, let me just get set up here, and we're gonna be good to go. Here. Hey, smiley faces. Let's go. What up, Henry? Good morning, Henry. Good morning, Leo. There we go. Now I can see the names better. What up, Rick? W for everyone. Yeah. Shout out to you guys. Cheers. Big dubs. Let's go. All right. Let me get this screen shared here, and then we're going to get going. Okie dokie. All right. What up, Nightbot? Hey, Nightbot's here. Good morning, Nightbot. Yes, sir. How did that hourly candle close on gold here, mates? Let's check it out. Let's see something. Okay, no top wick. All right, gang, let's do it. Y'all ready for a top-down analysis? Z Gamer. Yeah, what up, Roderick? Pascal's in the building. De Jesus. Yo, what up, Spider? All right, let's get going here, gang. We're gonna do the top-down analysis. I hope you guys are having a good day so far. Good morning. If it's morning for you, cheers. Good morning. I don't know if you got your coffee or what you got going on, but hope you have made it to the desk successfully here today. I hope whatever was going on, just let it chill now, right? Let it chill. Let's get in the mode. We're here to do a job. We have to be responsible traders here today. If you guys are dealing with outside emotions, I need you guys to leave those emotions outside the door for the next couple hours here. You know, we have to be locked in as traders. We're starting to really get some traction here, right? A lot of people are starting to really develop the skill set, develop the patience and the discipline. And that's what you're gonna need, right? That's what you're gonna need to succeed in this industry. So on top of that, it's gonna need a clear psyche, man. You got to keep this thing clear. You got to keep it fresh. Whatever, like I said, is going on, you got to just. Right now, we're here to do some business. We're here to do a job, and we're gonna have a lot of fun doing it. So let's get these cameras. What up, John? Good morning. Good morning, Jim. Let me just get these guys over here. And
hey, good morning, brother.
Good morning, Johnny boy.
Oh, sick.
So yeah, gang, let's be great today, right? Let's be great. We got goals ahead of us. We got dreams ahead of us, and let's be great. Let's do what greatness does, and have a good day here. So let's do a top-down analysis here on gold. Let's see what's going on in the chat. Let me just move this. Let's see what's going on in the chats here.
Hey, morning chat. Good morning, chat.
Bring your twin to work today. Okay, cool. Let's do this top-down analysis, and then we will chat. All right, chat. All right, cool. So let's get rid of all this drawings, and let's take a look at gold here. So let's see what's going on. So with gold, we have left this rejection zone at this point, right? We've been rejecting this area. We have officially closed below. You know, price is doing exactly what price has done before, which was reject, reject, reject. After those rejections, resistances were formed, and price was able to come and push on down, right? So that's what we're expecting to see here over the course of the next couple weeks. We don't know where price wants to go, but one thing we do know is that if we have created a resistance and we are closing below this range on the monthly time frame, then there's a high chance that we will fill this range down here at 1820. So this is the range that we are now trading in based off of the monthly time frame here, right? So that's the only thing we could expect, right? Can we see this area down here? Maybe, but we're not there yet, right? The next range is right here. So this is the range that we're currently looking to trade in. We do have clean traffic to the left-hand side, and you know, you should see price start to move down based off of the monthly time frame, right? Once this candle starts breaking the lows here, you should see a push, and you should see the monthly time frame go ahead and retest that support. And that should happen over the course of the next month or two. I would say Q3, we should play around in this range a bit. So let's take a look. We're bearish on the monthly time frame. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is also very bearish. Looks like we did close below this level here on the weekly time frame, which was 1930. And now we're kind of just doing one of these, right? We're kind of doing one of these now. Little retracement, little pullback for price to continue down, for the monthly candle to, you know, make its way down to, you know, its target down here at support. So let's see what's going on, because although we're pushing up, we did break the weekly highs here yesterday, which was pretty interesting. Let's take a look how that daily candle closed. I believe we closed with no so we closed with no bottom wick here. No bottom wick on this daily candle, kind of right here as support, right? So man, what do we know about candles with no bottom wicks, gang? what do we know about them? Really no range for the next candle to drive it, right? So that's why I think today, although we are bearish, we're pushing up pretty nicely here, right? So we are going to look for sells based off of the daily candle, but we have to understand there is no bottom wick on this candle, right? So that leaves the door open to, hey, maybe this candle wants to push bullish today, right? That leaves the door open to those ideas. So with that idea in the back of our brain, let's keep our support here. Let's put our resistance right here. And this is the range now that price is currently trading in off the daily time frame. Now, one thing I notice here, right? One thing I notice about these levels here is that if we look above, we have lots of rejections, right? Lots of rejections in this area where price has tried to close above several times and has not been able to do that just yet. So we know that this area right here is a rejection area for the daily time frame. This is right around that 1940 level, right? For where you see that 1940 level there? That's our rejection zone, because that's the last range that we came from, right? If we look at the, if we look at the weekly time frame, the range here is about right around 1940, 1945. So this is that rejection area, and it also is on the monthly time frame as well, right? 1940, 1945, a lot of wicks here. So, you know, we can expect for price to possibly reject. It may close above. If it does close above, like if this daily candle closes above here today, then you may see a push up tomorrow, right? You may see a push up, or you may see a fake out. So you may see a push up and then NFP start pushing price back down, because we have a lot of news ahead of us today, and it could be a strange day here on gold, to say the least. So there should be a lot of volume. There should be a good amount of opportunity, but there will be a lot of news in the way here today. So let's just take a look, right? If we're gonna find positions today, we're somewhat bearish, but we're moving up pretty good. Let's take a look at the 4 hour, see what's going on here. So the 4 hour is kind of approaching this level right here. So I think if the 4 hour candle closes above here, then you have an opportunity to fill this wick. But the 4 hour is still open here, so we still got 2 hours left in this 4 hour candle. Let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame here. So, you know, I was looking at this this resistance right here to take buys above, but this candle pretty much closed with very little top wick, very little. Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame as well. 30-minute did close above. I think we lay off of this candle here, and then if we get another closure, let's say above these ranges, then I think gold will have the opportunity to fill this wick here. So that's what I'm going to look for. I'm going to look for buys above 1926, 246 here today, right here. Buys above there. We already have our range 2 in play. And guys, I'm going to be making a video on this as well, because it's been showing up quite often, right? Where sometimes that range 2 has already been made in the London session. So you don't need to wait for it, you know, throughout the New York session. But I think we get a pullback here, and then if we can get some sort of a pullback and then close back above, I would look to take buys up until you know, this 1934 area. So that's what I'm going to look for today. I really want to see a pullback. I want to see, being that this candle closed with no top wick, I want to see this candle close bearish here. And if we can close bearish, creating a resistance here, and then come back down, something like this, and then break above that range, that would be dope, right? Then we get a candle closure above here during some sort of volume time. That would just be amazing, because I think we, you know, being that we have reasons to believe that we are bullish, right? Just based off of daily candle closing at support, daily candle also closing with no bottom wick, weekly candle breaking highs, monthly candle may need to come up to make a steeper top wick, right? So these are some of the reasons why we could expect gold to push up today. But then also we have that daily candle that did close bearish. So we're open for either or at this point. I think what we want to see is I would love to just see a range like this form right here, right there, and then we can have better direction to take either sells below or buys above. Right now we're kind of just pushing up and pre-New York, and yeah, I think we're going to get a pullback of some sort, but let's just wait on all that stuff to play out. As of right now, I'm going to look to take my buys above this 1926 area. And then in terms of sells, let's take a look to the left hand side, what we're looking at here. We may be able to take sells below these levels here. Let me see here. Yeah, I think below here is pretty straight. Yeah, we could take, I think we'll take sells below this 1920 level, anticipating for the daily candle to start pulling back, you know, and maybe even flipping bearish today. So that's what I'm going to wait for here. We'll see if we get some decent some new market structure during pre-New York for the NY Open, and see what we got going on as a couple candles start to unfold here. So that's going to be what I'm looking at here for the day. Buys above this 1926 446 level, and then sells below 1920 640. And yeah, let's see if we can get some market structure to form a little bit, and then you know, worst case we take ourselves let's see the daily candle here. Yeah, I mean, worst case we take ourselves here, and that's the daily candle flipping. And if we're flipping, then we should go. But this is going to be our cleanest ranges right here for sells today. So we're going to look for potential sells below here. But if we wait for sells below here today, that means we're breaking daily lows and starting to push down. So this is going to be an area of interest as well for me. But for now, just to make it easy on the eyes, let's just use our most recent ranges, and we'll adjust as we go. Cool. So that's it. That's the day here on gold. I believe we'll make some adjustments here though. Right now we really don't have much price action. We just have this push up during the London session, and that was it. I see here that you guys had a move, but no bottom wick here. So there was no move on that candle. Yeah, nothing there. Otherwise, that was a pretty decent break, I think, right? During London? Yeah, I think so. But yeah, so let's just wait for some market structure here, gang, and then we'll see where we're at. So that's going to be gold for right now as of 7:14 a.m. Let's take a look at pound yen here, and then we'll chill out for a bit. All right, so let's take a look. Weekly time frame on GJ is pushing up. If we notice that the bullish candles are starting to get a little bit weaker now after this big boy. You know, this was a pretty decent candle, but for that bottom wick, that it should have done more, right? So the candles are starting to get a little weaker and weaker. We may start to get some sort of pullback for price to continue up. We'll see, because we've been expecting that on GJ now for weeks. So let's take a look at the daily. So the daily did close weak doji bullish. Yeah, so you see how these candles here, you see how they were pushing up with a lot of momentum. You see how big they were? And then what do you notice about these candles now? These candles over here, these ones are getting a lot smaller, right? Smaller, weaker, not being able to really do much. You know, and now we have, you know, this candle broke the previous candle lows. Now this one is really breaking the lows. So yeah, this whole area is starting to slow up when it comes to buyers in the market. So let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame here. We've broken the lows pretty heavy here too, right? On the daily time frame, we've broken all these lows, but now we're pulling back up. So let's see what the story is on the lower time frames here. It looks like on the 4-hour time frame we did create a support, and price is now pushing back up. So we know that we have this level of resistance right here. Let's take a look at the 1-hour time frame. 1 hour as well has been pushing up, but again, we're coming into this resistance level here. Let's take a look at the 30-minute, see if we can find some structure. Yeah, so yeah, I believe we could probably look to take sells below these levels here. So we take sells below here. We got clean traffic to the left coming down. There's also clean traffic in the range as well over here. So we'll see what price wants to do. Both gold and GJ have just been pushing up throughout the London session, so I think pre-New York will give us some better market structure that we could adjust these levels here pretty soon. So let's wait for some pullbacks, supports, resistances, and all that good stuff. Let's wait for price to look familiar for us, and then we'll take an opportunity to see if we can capitalize off of our edge here. So for now, I'm just gonna leave this right over here, see if we get some sort of support being formed here for price to go back up, or what price wants to do. So I guess let's just wait, right? Let's just wait on both pairs here today. We don't have much of a range yet, so we gotta wait, right? We gotta wait for that range to be formed, and once it is, we'll see if we can capitalize on it. So that is gonna be the day here. So with gold, as of right now, I'm probably just gonna stay away from this range here, not touch anything in it right now. Things may change up in a little bit on a day like today, but this is pretty clean, right? This range above 1926 looks pretty good, and then anything below 1920 is also really good today. So that's going to be what I'm looking at as of right now. Again, we may make some adjustments, but for now, this is what we got. That's what we got.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
And now we just wait on it.
Hey, Sam's here too. Oh, I thought I heard Sam. I'm like, was that John?
Hey, good morning, Sam.
Yo, good morning. Yeah, I was in here yapping.
Yapping. Hold on, boys. Let me get you up here.
How you guys
Alright.
doing this morning?
Fantastic, man. The boys are here. I am super grateful. Just reminiscing this morning. Oh man, about everything, bro. What a journey.
Really?
What a life, man.
Yeah,
What
I
a
was
life.
too. I'm not gonna lie. Guys,
Yeah, you were journaling a little bit, or you were just kind of reminiscing?
just kind of thinking. I wasn't really journaling.
Yeah.
I was just thinking, bro. Just thinking about like things, like just I guess like trading. I don't know.
Nothing more dangerous than a man who could think. A man who could think the right thoughts.
Yo, good morning, everyone. It's the Gamer, Christian,
Morning, chat.
Mr. Pips.
Morning, Chandra.
Yeah, what up, chat? How y'all feeling? Everybody doing good? Everyone was throwing W's in the chat, so I hope you guys are feeling good today. I hope you guys are ready to go. If you haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like, and if you haven't subbed to the channel, man, subscribe to the channel. Hey, gang, we're gonna be picking a new mod here pretty soon. So just for you guys to kind of be aware, we are looking. There's a good amount of, there's a few people we got our eye on, so it's gonna be a tough decision, not gonna lie.
Yeah.
This one's probably gonna be the toughest decision or the toughest pick, because right now we just have a lot of superstars, a lot of up and coming, superstars in the chat that have really been helping out and really been, committing and taking the time to serve other people, whether it's in the chat, whether it's in the Discord, wherever, right? We just got so many people that are just being an asset to what we've put together here. So it's gonna be pretty tough to pick one this time.
Yeah, it definitely will be. It ain't easy being a mod. It ain't easy.
It ain't easy. You guys think
Gotta
it's
do
easy
all that.
being a mod?
Gotta do your part.
Yeah.
Get that blue wrench though. It's worth.
You get that wrench. If I become a mod, I'll eat an alligator.
Hey, it's good that guy TK.
Good morning.
Yellow Flower, what's up?
Good morning, Trade Like Jose. What up, brother?
Running trade like Jose.
Yes, sir. Hey, Disturbed. Your time is coming, bro. Your time is coming. Yeah, you know what?
Keep an eye out for that boy Disturb.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It's funny though, because usually everyone will know who's the next mod. Right? It's almost like obvious. But
Yeah.
this time there are a few people who we can say.
Should we put a number on?
I mean, there's like 4 or 5 people that I'm considering, but you know, so this decision is gonna be made on over all the group of mods, right? We're all gonna make that decision. So, but we're probably gonna do that at 10,000 subs, which it seems like we're right on pace, right? Last week we cracked 7K. We're halfway through now. We're at almost 7.5, so we should have 8K pretty soon, and then it's just 2K after that. You know, I mean, it's a cakewalk at this point.
Yeah. Yo, like when I said I was like reminiscing, bro. I think it was June 2nd, June 3rd. We hit 3K. That was a month ago, bro.
Godspeed, bro. I'm telling you, God's hand is all over this community, all over the growth of everything that's happening here. God's just giving me the signals, man. You think I'm getting them from Jerome? I'm getting them from God, baby.
I love that.
Trust me, Jerome ain't got nothing on God.
That's where Jerome gets his signals.
Hey Nick, I DM'd you. Okay, let me see.
Hey, Chad, just another day, you know, daily reminder. It's just another day to doing what we do, right? Following our plan, you know, only trading our playbook setups, only executing on the best setups we can enter on. And we're gonna strengthen, we're gonna build our patient and discipline muscle as well today. Because you need mental skills, right? With a winning method, we got a winning method, we got our winning strategy. Now we need our mental skills, and each and every day we get to practice and build on that. So it's another day to do that, and we're doing it. So make sure you're building your discipline and patient muscle. Make sure you're following the plan, following the strategy, and you'll win the day.
Yes, sir.
And those wins will also add up over time.
Daily reminder.
Yep, daily reminder. Daily reminder.
And I'm gonna remind you again in like 20 minutes.
First light. First light, Scott. First light. Okay. Someone said they DM'd me. Did you DM me on Instagram or? Bro got contacts with God. Yes, sir. Hey, this morning, gang, I was reading and really studying Proverbs chapter 3. Oh my God, I highly recommend that at some point today, hey, stop the stream right now and go read Proverbs chapter 3, gang. Don't even listen to me. Don't even listen to me. Just leave it and go check that out and come back when you're done.
I've read it before, but I'm gonna leave.
Gang, y'all want some wisdom? Proverbs, man.
Where can I find
Proverbs.
Boom, got her.
He couldn't
See what
resist.
Nick's talking about.
He couldn't resist. Nick, thanks for the range video. Oh yeah, I hope you guys liked the range 1, range 2 video I did. Like I said, I'm gonna put out a bunch more. They're all gonna be very quick videos. 5-6 minutes, just nailing down the topic and moving on. But I appreciate you guys liking and commenting and sharing that video, because we're gonna get more and more videos out just like that real soon. And yeah, it's gonna be awesome. So thank you guys for checking out the new video.
Yeah, those things are super nice. Like, I had someone ask me like what all the setups were.
Yeah.
I said, go watch the playbook. I like how you just have it titled the playbook.
The playbook.
Like, and then the other one's just like range 1, range 2.
Yeah, we'll keep it
I feel
simple.
like that kind of just sticks out a little more.
Yep.
So like, yeah.
Any news coming in today? Yeah, we got a lot of news coming in today. Lots of red folders, lots of news here today. So yeah, it's gonna be an interesting day. Hit the like button. Yeah, hit the like button, gang. Hey, I
Eric
see you.
says, oh, good.
No, I was reading Nightbot. Hilarious.
Oh, I was just going to say, someone said, hey, Nick, I'm stressed about my funding account. It's been 2 days and I have not taken any trades because nothing is lining up with my setup. Thoughts, please? I think you're doing a wonderful job, Eric. I haven't taken a trade in over a week because nothing's lined up.
Yes.
You know,
What Sam said.
I think that's awesome that you're just waiting. You know, you only want the best setups, right? So I think continue to do what you're doing. Don't stress yourself out. You're following your plan. What's there to be stressed about, my friend?
Yeah, no stress. No stress. Remember, leave the stress outside the building. Get it out of here. Yeah, what Sam said. Guess what? What do you need? 8%, right? 10% on most companies? Guess what? When you wait for the most highest probability trades, you don't need a lot of trades, right? You'll be able to get, you're basically 10 trades away. 10 high quality grade A trades away from you hitting that goal. So no need to rush trades. Yeah, no need to force anything, but just keep doing what you're doing. Waiting patiently for the best opportunities you could find.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Someone said the same thing to me today too in their DMs. They were like, bro, I'm in 2% drawdown on my funded. I only have 32 days left. I'm like, bro, you got till August. You got till August, bro.
Yo.
Just chill out. Wait for the high probability setups.
Yeah, man, that's it. No need to rush. Let this thing come naturally. Worst case, if you do this thing right, you should never be in drawdown on that account, right? So if you do it right over 30 days, you're going to be the least you'll be is above break even, right? If you're doing it right. So you get a free retry, right? What's the rush? You're going to make thousands and thousands of dollars in a week pretty soon. You know, don't try and force it and rush it. Just let it come naturally. Let it come naturally. And then you know what? Another case scenario is you only get 6%. And guess what? They'll give you a 14-day or 28-day extension, and that can take all the stress, all the pressure off you, because now you got like 2 weeks, or let's say even sometimes some companies like my Forex funds give you a whole month. And now you have a whole month or 2 weeks to get 2%. So just let everything come naturally, let it flow, wait for those high probability setups. Don't deviate from the plan. Don't budge, don't try and force anything, don't try and get to a certain number at a certain time. Just come here day in and day out and trade the playbook, and the playbook will get you there. I promise you that. The playbook will get you there. But don't cheat on the playbook.
Like we said yesterday too, forget about the time limit. Like, forget about the time. Just act like the account is already yours. Trade the account like it's yours. And naturally run the playbook, and you'll naturally be up in profit.
Yeah.
Yep. Just like we were saying yesterday too. Don't be a loser. Follow the plan. Losers are the ones that don't follow the plan.
Yeah. They're hard words, and I hope you don't take them the wrong way, but man, I needed someone to tell me that stuff. When I was messing around and doing stupid things in the markets, I needed someone to just be straight up with me. Like, dude, you're doing what losing traders do, bro. That makes you a loser. You want to be a loser? Are your kids going to be happy to have a dad who's a loser? No, man. Your wife want to be married to some loser who can't control himself, who can't have any self-control when it comes to your finances or the market or whatever it is, right? No, man. That's another reason why you want to read the book of Proverbs, bro. Like, it's all about self-control. Right, you gotta have self-control in these markets and stay disciplined. The playbook loves loyalty, right? The playbook loves loyalty. That's the relationship it wants at you. It wants a loyal relationship, because if you're loyal to the playbook, it'll be loyal to you. The playbook don't cheat on you. You cheat on the playbook, right? The playbook's always there for you, but you gotta be disciplined. You gotta be loyal to it. So,
like we always say, you follow the plan, you win. Each time you follow the plan every day, you win the day. It doesn't matter if we didn't take a trade that day, you still won the day by following the plan, by being patient and disciplined. Even if you take a good loss, a healthy loss is a win in disguise. Anytime I take a loss with following my plan, a good loss, it's a W for me. It's a W, right? It's a W in disguise. So
not facts.
Following the plan every day, and you're gonna catch W's, right?
Yep. That's all we could do. We're not future tellers. Like we can't see into the future. All we could do is act on our edge. And that's our only job. Our job isn't to win or to lose. It's just to act on our edge. That's all trading is, gang. You know, you have an edge that has a probability, you know, alongside with it, and your job is to execute on the edge. And that's why every time we enter a trade, you'll hear one of us say, all right, our job is done. Our job is done. And that saying right there should really put you at ease as a trader, knowing that you have won, right? You have done your job. You have executed on your edge on a playbook position that has a certain probability win rate. And now your job is to just sit back and let that trade play out. It's done, right? And they will work themselves out in your favor if you're really staying loyal to the playbook, right? If you're only taking those trades and this, you know, methodology of trading, then it's going to work out for you. But the minute you start, you know, trying to do this or trying to do that, or, you know, going against a plan, you may win 1 or 2 times, but over the course of 10, 15, 20 trades doing that, I'm telling you, it won't look pretty. It won't look pretty. I was down 7% when I found time to eat, then passed. There you go.
Yeah, shout out
relax.
to Chandra.
Yeah, shout out to Chandra. Killing it.
What's up, Chandra?
Getting busy. Hey Nick, I got my free retry. Yeah, see that? Look at, got his free retry. Perfect. Proverbs 13:14. Amen. Yep. Oh, nice. Yeah, you were down. He was down 5%. Got back into profit. Got a free retry. Beautiful. There you go, everyone. There you go. Everyone reading Proverbs 3 there. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. The wise shall inherit the glory. Gonna wife up the playbook. There you go. There you
Marry the
go.
playbook.
Marry that thing. Hey gang, if you haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like though. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ here as well real quick. So let's remove all the drawings. Let's take a look. So weekly on the NASDAQ, it did close bullish. So we did break the highs already. We're coming down, I guess, make a steeper bottom wick here. Let's take a look at the daily time frame. Daily did close bullish as well. And the cool part about the daily is we are staying above this level of resistance here. So don't let this push down right now fool you, because this daily candle, if it respects the low, which it is, well, it is as of right now, then this thing could easily flip up and start to push bullish. So let's take a look at the 4 hour, what that's looking like. 4 hour time frame did close bullish here. We came down to that support level. We rejected it. We closed bullish. Next candle opened up, made a bottom wick, broke the highs here. So yeah, we may start to see our push back up for this daily candle to make some moves here today. So let's take a look at the 4 hour time, 1 hour time frame. 1 hour, we have a very strong support, very strong resistance, and that's our current range on the 1 hour time frame. And then I think we could just adjust that a little bit, and that's gonna be our range here. So I guess we'll look to take buys above 15,161 here on the NASDAQ. So buys above this level here. Let's make sure we got that drawn up, and you know, we could look to target like way up here today, because where's the daily flip? Let's take a look at the daily flip, because we have a very steep bottom wick right now. Daily flip is right, or daily break of the highs are right here. Let's see what that, yeah, that's gonna be our first target right there. So we're gonna look to target this 15,215 area for buys, and then for sells here today, we'll look to take yeah, we'll probably wait for range 2 sells below here. So range 2 sells below 15,119, and then you got clean traffic below there as well. So that's what I'll be looking at here for the NASDAQ today. And again, we are sample sizing this pair, so there is a possibility that we may start to trade this pair. This pair, US 30 as well. So yeah, I think we're on the verge of possibly ditching GJ here. Yeah, until right now, market conditions are not the greatest. Not the great, even for swing traders, right? This is, you know, if you're holding off the monthly or the weekly, yes, but other than that, if you're like intraday, scalp, I mean, it's been pretty tough to take positions here on pound yen. So we'll see what happens. We need a lot of data. We've collected a lot of data here on US 30, so that may be the play a little bit earlier than the NASDAQ, but we will continue to watch NAS 100. I have a few friends that trade it. I talked to them a little bit about it, and they really like it. So we'll see. We'll see.
Is that what you'll take NAS over US 30? You think?
We'll see, man. I really want to. I do like the price action there. So I just want to give it some time. Right, see how our system and our playbook works with that pair, and then if it does, then yeah, we may let it rip.
Yeah, I was just curious.
Yeah,
just curious.
What is your strategy, sir?
Oh, strategy.
Oh,
yeah.
Scalp.
Throw.
Good morning.
Nephew.
Throw some.
That's what you should say when you join, bro.
Nephew. Uncle Snoop Dogg.
Nephew scalp.
Hey, the Zoom's getting popping. We're getting some more heads here on Zoom.
Got 6 heads in here. Yep.
Uncle Snoop Dogg's here.
Uncle Snoop Dogg.
Wunkle.
Is that where you get that from? Me going, hey, yo, nephew.
Yo, nephew.
Snoop Dogg. Hey, yo, nephew.
Let's go with my Traders Global account here. What's going on?
Good morning, Austin.
Error on the terminal.
Morning, Austin. Good.
What up, Austin? Austin Powers. Bro, what's up with my terminal here?
Good.
Where the heck's it keep going? Pops up and goes away.
Oh, I seen that. It's hiding from you, bro. It says, no setup right now, sir. Gone.
Nah, seriously, what's good?
That is weird. What is going on with that?
Here, let me yeah, what's up with that? Uncle is in the building, yes. The Unk is here. I'm new to the channel, saw a reel on Insta, jumped on the stream straight. Oh, nice. What up, Sammy? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Not sure where you're from, but glad to have you here today. Hey, if you guys haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. By the way, we're doing a $100,000 challenge account giveaway. So it's going to be done, and the winner is going to be one lucky subscriber here. So sub to the channel for your opportunity to win that. I'm also doing 3 months free signals for 2 lucky subscribers. And that's actually gonna be done in like probably next week. So you gotta be subbed to the channel to get all that, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. Looking forward to it. We always love doing giveaways. Bail or sale? Hey, yo, what's good with my terminal here?
Yo, good morning, Stefan. Good morning, Nightbot.
We in a trade right now?
Nightbot. Yeah, we're in a bleeder. Yeah, last giveaway, we had someone get funded with the 100,000, so that's life-changing stuff right there. We also did, what else did we do? We did 3-month giveaway, right? On the signals or something too? Yeah. Yeah. Yup. Yeah, let's take a look at US 30 as well. US 30.
Giant boy, how's the morning in Florida?
It's great, bro.
Incredible.
Every single day. Every morning, I'm grateful for it, you know?
You down there like permanently now?
Grateful.
Yep, permanently.
Really?
Sir.
Crazy. You stay with Nick or you got your own place?
I'm in my own place.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Shout out to John, bro.
Thanks, bro.
Brother Joe's coming too.
Yeah, brother Joe's gonna pull up. In like a month or two.
They're getting their own place. Hold on, let's take a look at US 30 really quick. So yeah, with US 30 we are pretty bearish, right? Based off the daily candle, we got no top wick though. No top wick on this candle. I don't know, maybe price just wants to drive down. We'll see. Let's see what the weekly time frame looks like. Yeah, weekly time frame is bullish. Remember, we did close above this level here on the weekly time frame. And yes, we may get a fake out, but according to price, you know, we should be able to push up. I forget, what are we? Yeah, we're pretty bullish on the monthly and the weekly. So we'll see what happens here with this daily candle. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. We are pretty bearish based off of the days here. We know we have a massive support right there that we can obviously see. We do have a resistance up here that is pretty obvious as well. Let's take a look at the 1-hour time frame and 30-minute. If we're going to find positions here to date, we are going to, let's take a look at this 1 hour. So 1 hour, massive support right there. You have some level of resistance right here. Yeah, I think yeah, I think range 2 buys above here will be pretty clean. Pretty clean. You can take your buys over here, but that may be a little too early for buys. Might be a little too early, but you can look to take range 2 buys above here. I would say wait for a range 2. If you don't get the range 2, then wait for, you know, this next level of resistance there. But I would look for range 2 buys above this area 341. What is it? 34154, and then clean sells are below 13083. So you can take, I mean, there's a support right here, but do you really want to take sells right there right off of that closure when you have a support right here, right? And then also you have another very strong support right here. So because of that, I would just say those are my pips and just wait for clean sells below there. So that's what I'll do here today on US 30. I will wait for sells below 34083 and, you know, look to fill this traffic coming down. And that's it. Simple. Yeah, a cleaner range is above here though. So if you don't get your range 2, don't even sweat it. Clean range above this this resistance up here to come up. Yeah, this whole range is just nasty range. So yeah, that's what I would do for US 30 here today, gang. Gold acting up. Uh-oh. Gold acting up. Yeah, boys. Now we're just waiting for you two to get down to Florida.
Yeah, I'm definitely, you know.
Just wait on.
Come on over.
Yo, I'd maybe even consider moving down that way, bro.
I'll definitely be there.
I need to figure out what's going
Moving
on.
down there.
They're coming.
Oh, show.
We all gotta be living in the same community.
Yeah,
That'd be
we are
crazy.
gonna make the community.
Facts.
I'm gonna get out there. I'm gonna find like a nice little plot of land, aka like a couple acres. I'm just gonna start building a road by hand. I'm just gonna start making a cul-de-sac for all of us. Pave the way, baby.
Let's do it.
Get Scott up in there. He'll like design the houses. Real estate dude.
Get Scott in there to design the houses.
Yeah. And I know he does not like technically what he does, but close enough. He'd figure it out.
Yeah.
He knows what to look for. No income tax in Florida?
No income
I'm sure that it's very low. I don't think that I'm pretty sure they do have it. Puerto Rico's like the only place without any income tax.
Income? What's that? Alright, let me just figure this. What's income? No job, just income, right, gang?
Yes, sir.
What's going on here? Virtual machine display configuration could not be applied. Why? Why?
It's quaking.
Why are you quaking? Why does everything look so small?
No outcome, no income, just outcome? Oh. Sales taxes are high in Florida? What is it?
Sales tax? Forget, honestly.
It's 6% here. You know what? I'll just Google it.
Google you. Yo, anybody else having this issue with my Forex funds here? Like, look at this. What's going on here?
Oh, yo.
1 hour chart is
All the
quaking.
trades in one.
What
Yeah,
the hell?
it's 6% in Florida. That's the same thing as here.
You have to email them.
Yeah, 6%. Oh, that guy TK. Hey, I'm looking forward to meeting today, bro. Looking forward to. I got your message on Discord too. I appreciate that. And yeah, we're gonna be productive. That guy TK, the man, the myth, the legend. What's up, peeps? Hey, Trade Like Jose's in the building. What are we waiting for? We're waiting for a closure above here on gold. Closure above.
We're waiting for our playbook setup. That's what we're waiting for.
I smell cap.
Stop the cap. 15-minute celery on gold. Oh, heck yeah, I'm super stoked. Yeah, me too, bro. Me too. Yeah, possibly. Let's we got NY Open here coming up, so let's see if we can get a close above. We got 9 minutes here, gang. 9 minutes to wait. Please, can you teach me how to trade Forex online? Me and you are one-on-one. Yeah, you can. So, gang, this right here is a free education. Like, free. Totally free. Nothing beats actually watching me trade. Right? Everything you want to learn in someone's course or, you know, in a meeting with them, they're gonna teach you what you're seeing me do here, right? This is me actually trading. This is typically the time I trade. So it doesn't get much better than this, right? If you guys got questions, let them rip. Take advantage of that time.
Better than a course, honestly.
Right? Imagine if you can get a course and the guy jumps on live with you every day. Every time you log in, he's there.
Right.
That's what you guys have an opportunity here, right? So ask those questions, man. I want to see you guys succeed, right? Yes, it's cool to come here and hang out. You know, it's a little entertaining or whatever. But hey, listen, I want to see you guys make it here. So take advantage, right? Ask the questions. Ask questions that are going to get you further and closer to your goals and what you're trying to get out of this. You know, it's all fun and dandy to hang out. I love hanging out, but you know, you also want to, you know, get your goals accomplished.
Yes, sir. I agree with that. Pay attention, but not only pay attention, get active, because then, you know, you're just part of everything. You know what I mean? Then you don't actually have, it's more or less like a group project instead of a lecture.
Yep.
You know, so it'd be like hands-on and
yeah, I'm really bad at giving lectures. I don't like to give lectures. Me no lecture.
Say you're bad at it, you're not bad at it. What do we got for news today?
Bro,
so we got ADP NFP at 8:15, we got unemployment claims, and we got, well, that's mostly the big news. Let's see the numbers.
Lots of volumes.
Ooh, so they're expecting a good ADP NFP. And the last 2 months, that follows suit as well. Actual comes out about 100,000 plus the forecast.
Bro, something's tweaking here with my parallels. Yep, time to get rid of Mac. The time has come. No more Mac for me.
This weekend, bro.
Might be today, to be honest, because I am meeting with TK today, so I want to meet with him and hear what he has to say too.
Yeah, TK will get you right. I have faith. Yeah, say goodbye to the Mac. Say goodbye to the $1,000 plus i3 processor.
TK and my boy David, man. David's gonna come. David's gonna be helping us out a lot. So you guys don't know David. He's gonna be working behind the scenes. But yeah, shout out to David. Shout out to David.
David.
Don't forget where that Mac got you.
Yeah, yo, that's true actually. No, I'm grateful for this Mac, man.
That's what Scott said.
Gotta be.
Yeah. I feel like if you're like someone who's just like doing schoolwork or just like browsing the internet, then the Mac is like your go-to because it's super like easy, but like.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, TK says hang the Mac on the wall. You gotta frame it, bro.
Hang it up. Do you prefer indicators or price action? I just prefer price action. Yeah, price action for me works best. Yeah, I don't know. For some reason, I can't open my magic keys here. There's something wrong. Who knows? Some of you guys, so anytime I had to use my magic keys, when using parallels, I had to right click Windows, come up to devices, go to YouTube and Bluetooth, and click this 2.4G input device. But now it's not available. So does anybody have any idea?
Check your USBs, like on the side of your computer. See if there's anything that's like loose. That might be why. Cause like sometimes my headset does that. Like where I'll bump something and it'll switch to my speakers. I almost just did it again. Looking at it. I know it's like a stupid thing, but I don't know. That'd be like a quick check just to make sure it's all good.
Yeah, everything seems good to me.
Yeah. What else could we do? I'm not too sure. I mean, I'm pretty sure I watched you restart the parallels, right?
Yeah.
I don't know, bro. I feel like the only thing would be to restart the PC, but that's tough.
That's a tough move here.
That's a very tough move.
That's a tough move.
That's what Austin said.
1,171 people? Nah, I can't do that.
Yeah, like I bet that would fix your issue, but it's a tough move, bro.
What indicators to use? I'm not too sure. I don't use any indicators, just ranges.
What's it saying? I'm gonna do a Google search and see if I can't figure it out for you.
Wait, what's the name of what?
Wait, me?
Wait, what'd you ask me? Yeah.
Oh, I just said like what's it saying? Like what's it doing? It's just it just like closes itself?
Yeah, so normally every day when I turn the magic keys on, I gotta right click my Windows 10 program, go to devices, go over to USB and Bluetooth, and then I would click this 2.4G input device, and then yeah, it would just pop up right from there.
Alright, hold up. See if I can respond.
You never know. Maybe one of these kids messing with my stuff.
Never know.
Alright, either way, I gotta be prepared here. I gotta pivot. I gotta adjust. So now you guys can coach me a little bit. So how do I set buy stops here?
Right click. Whoa, hold on. In the top left, change that to 10 on your one-click trading. Yeah, you don't want to open up 20. Like, yeah.
Oh, no, we good? No, just kidding.
Yeah, we're trading DJ.
See what? Yo, this thing is like so small now, too.
What is the...
Like everything. You see like even my history here? See how small it looks?
Like the text in that is like, yeah.
Maverick was trading Asian, yeah.
That's funny. I don't know, like quick Google search saying like your best options are like, you know, making sure that it's plugged in and
yeah.
Then quitting any applications that might be using the USBs. But like you said, you can't even get it to connect, so
yeah. Alright. We'll see.
It's best. Yeah. I'll give you a quick run through of how to do the trades and that though. All it is right click and then sell stop, and then if I already know what my stop loss is gonna be, then you can double click on the line, type in your SL.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Alright, no doubt. We'll worry about that stuff later, chat. We did get a closure above here. So let's see if we actually get a bottom wick. So this is on the 8 a.m. candle, NY open. We're gonna need to see a bottom wick and then potentially an entry on the break of the highs here. So let's see if we can get that. Let's see what the stops are looking like currently. Currently we got about 23 pip stops, so not bad. We'll use the previous candle stops, and yeah, let's see if we can get it. Just wait on it. Gonna need a bottom wick though.
Got news soon too.
Yeah, we do have news coming in. That's why I just want to see how everything works. I want to see if these 15 lows break or not. I would like to see a steeper bottom wick, let the news come out, and then we get in on the break of the highs after that. So I don't have any buy stops just yet. I did want to see a steeper bottom wick than that, but yeah, we'll see. Yeah, we have a very heavy red folder here, so we're gonna stay out of this right now. Do we need to wait until news? Yeah, we're gonna wait. Yep.
think this news will be key as well.
Yeah, it will be.
Because
Yeah, it'll bring a lot of volume.
Volume and direction.
yeah, exactly. That's what the reaction. It's more or less what I was getting at. Yeah. I don't like to say too much. So
I'm not gonna touch it until after news here.
wait for the price action to play out.
New to the channel, and I like it. Are you live? Because my time here in Canada is 4 minutes ahead of your clock. Yeah, you may have to just speed the stream up. You may be a few minutes back.
Yo, I really liked what TK said. If you want to rewind it and put the speed to like 1.5, and it's like you can still hear what he's saying.
Yeah, it's
but
true.
like it'll, and then once it gets to where it's live, it'll go back to normal automatically.
Yep.
That was game changer when he said that the other day. TK is a smart
man.
Smart man.
Very smart. Give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. All right.
Yes, sir.
Oh damn, that candle moving, but
She moving up,
moving up, moving down.
moving up, moving down. Yup. Someone said 15-minute celery. Say just wait on it, guys. Just wait on it. Got news coming in here. You don't want to get wrecked. Let the news come out, and then price. We'll know where price is gonna go for the rest of the session.
Exactly.
Because we are still bearish on the daily, and we're right in those rejection wicks on the daily time frame right now. So, just wait on it.
Just wait on it. Yeah, let news do its thing, chat.
Yeah.
Like Sam said before, we'll get a lot of direction and volume once news plays out.
Your 5% profit on my Forex funds, I'm pretty sure they do have an extension.
Yeah,
I don't know if, I think it's 6%. But you still got 6 days, brother. You still got 6 days. So that's like today, tomorrow, and then some of next week's as well. So, you know, if you can wait, I almost guarantee you there's a high probability you'll get a high probability setup between now and the next 6 days. So if you can get that high probability setup within today, or within the next 6 days, and you know you get your little 1% win or whatever, then boom, just hit the extension from there. But you know, you're up 5% in profit, so just don't do anything different. Don't do anything different.
Yes, sir.
Don't let that bother you.
All right, let's.
I seen some of you guys say good morning earlier too. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning,
Morning to
everybody.
everyone.
Yeah, TFT does have an extension.
It does or doesn't? Someone just
Yeah,
said
I think it
doesn't.
does. Pretty sure they have the same thing as my Forex funds.
Yeah, that would make sense to me. I'm sorry, Micah. Good morning. Good morning.
Oh, TFT
it's
doesn't.
hard, bro. I don't want to sit here and say. I don't want to clog up the voice chat with just saying good morning, everyone. You know, you guys know I love you all. You guys know I'll say good morning to all of you.
Oh, Gang.
Here to work.
Let's go. Let's
Oh,
go.
what did you do, bro?
God did. Hey, I just went outside and said a prayer, man. Came back and we're good to go.
Oh, Chad.
Let's
Makes
go.
sense.
You can always count on the Lord, even with magic keys.
Yeah.
W, Shad.
W, yeah, W.
Yeah, I'm not touching
One
these buys. Not yet. I'm telling you, I didn't do anything. I didn't touch a thing.
Yeah, I was gonna say you literally walked away and then came back and it's working again, bro.
They're like, man, this guy's so mysterious.
Wait, check your USB thing.
I'm not checking nothing. I'm not touching a damn thing right now.
She ain't broke, don't fix her.
I ain't checking nothing. I'm not touching nothing. Are you in a trade? No. Almost took a buy there. Give a brother a heart attack. Magic keys really be magic, huh? Yeah. Oh, that's pretty funny.
Nothing happened. His thing's all good now.
Yeah, nothing.
Relax.
We good. So yeah, let's see what happens here in this 15-minute. You got a somewhat of a 15-minute celery play going on too here, so.
Yeah, what Yogi said. Can we get some likes on the stream, please?
Hey, that'd be dope.
For me?
Like,
For my
pick it up,
birthday?
chat.
Oh yeah, it's Sam's birthday today, right?
And it's your birthday?
Yes, sir.
Is it
You
really?
getting old, bro?
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh wow, happy birthday, bro.
Yeah, it's actually.
Let's go.
Happy
W.
birthday, Sam.
W for Sam.
Getting old, bro.
He's getting old, bro.
Yeah, no, what are you, 23, right?
22.
22, alright.
22. Come on, man.
Damn, young. Young man.
A young boy. He a young buck.
He a young bull.
Yeah,
Yeah.
y'all quaking for me.
Hey, W's for your
Yeah,
Sam.
thank you guys. This alone will make my day right here.
Yes.
Look at that.
So look at that.
Shout out to you, bro.
We would have hit break even there and paid for commissions, and we could have just sent that money to Sam. Right? If everyone just sent 20, 30 bucks, look at that. Sam would be a thousandaire by the end of the stream.
That's,
Who wants to
Yeah,
be
but likes on the stream though. That's my. Give me a
Yeah.
like for my. If you want to, give me a
Yeah.
little gift or something. Throw a like up on the stream.
Throw a like.
Tomorrow we got another goat speed day too.
Oh yeah, we do. The goat,
Yeah.
the real goat, the big Uno. Yeah, Chad.
Yo, the top W.
The top, the top G, always holding W's.
yo,
Yeah.
facts, bro.
Yeah, we got Maverick's 1-year-old birthday tomorrow, chat.
Oh wow.
The
Oh,
man
man.
has become a man. The boy has become a man. Back to back, baby.
So, man.
Got Sam, then we got Maverick. Who's next? Who's July 8th? Anyone July 8th here?
Facts. There's gotta be someone
Out of
who's got July 8th.
1,400 people, we gotta have someone that's born July 8th.
Going once, going twice. Tell me this wasn't the best year of your life. Yo, it honestly has, bro. Scott. Super blessed. That's like half the reason I was reminiscing. I was like, yo, I'm just so blessed, honestly, bro. To be able to meet, all of you guys here on Zoom and all the mods, and we have the hands down best community, right? And yeah, I don't know, just be able to be in the position that I'm in, even though, yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
super
grateful.
dope.
Super grateful.
Yep.
Man.
Little
Wow, we got a
Dove's
lot
birthday.
of Julys in here.
Yeah, Little Dove's
What we
birthday.
got do?
Little Dove.
Yeah. Thank you, everybody, though. Thank you.
Yeah.
Just
Happy
another
New Year.
day, though. Just another day, right? Just gonna come here, follow the plan, and get excited. It is what it is. Yo, I like the. I heard somebody say, and it's super like close to what you always say too, Nick, with the dash.
Yeah.
Bro, you only got one birthday, bro. It's the
Yeah,
day you're
it's
born.
true. That's why when you say you're getting old, no more, bro. No more saying that.
Cursing yourself.
You're getting old, bro.
You casting a spell on yourself, bro.
Nice, putting a spell on yourself.
Don't let no one sing happy birthday to you tonight.
Yo, bro, Nick, the freaking turn the lights off. Everyone gets in a circle.
Light
Right,
candles. What's going on with that?
Like candles.
Later. Hey Sam, this year's gonna be a juicer for Sammy boy, man. Hey, y'all keep an eye out for Sam Capital, bro. Trust me, this kid is 22 years old and got a wealth of knowledge in his brain. So you just wait for this kid to be 23, 24, 25. See what this guy's doing, man. It's gonna be miraculous, bro.
Thank you.
Imagine, bro, from 2 to 3 years from now. Sheesh.
Yo, I've made a lot of progress too in the last couple months since I've come in contact with all of you guys. You know,
Yeah,
since
praise
I've built
God.
that relationship.
That's amazing.
So, you know, I'm super blessed to be able to be surrounded by other people that are just as hungry or, yeah, bro.
Love it. Love it. Hey, gang, how many of you guys are just feeling a lot better in life over the past couple months, past couple weeks? Just being around a group of winners, being around a group of achievers that are looking to go places, right? You see people here, they're not, they're just regular people, right? Just regular people on the come up, on the grow. That's who I want to surround myself with. That's who I want my kids to be around, right? I want my kids to be around the movers and the shakers and the ones that are getting after it in life. And what are we doing here? We're creating friendships here, right? We're creating lifelong friendships between, obviously John and Sam and Uncle Scalp and all you guys and all the mods, and starting to do meetups and link ups and actually starting to get with each other in the physical, right? And this is more than just some internet community, man. That the New York meetup was fantastic. I had such a great time. We had there you go. So all those holding buys right there, not so fun now, right? But yeah, man. So just an amazing community to be a part of. So. But
Yeah,
there
really
goes your ADP news. Yeah.
Sure, man. We surround ourselves with winners. We all push ourselves to be better. We feed off of each other, and we just make each other all better. So surround yourself with good, positive people who are looking to win.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Like you just said too, well, it's like, we're just like some internet homies or whatever, but like, bro, whenever you guys called me, whenever you guys were in New York, and everyone had some wonderful words for me, bro. And one of my real life friends was sitting there right next to me, and he listened to all that phone call go down, and it was more specifically like what John said, bro. He looks at me right after that phone call because he heard most of it and was like, bro, why are the rest of our friends not like this? And I look at him, I go, bro, you see why I don't come around him as much anymore. So that, I think right there is when I realized, I was like, we really do got something special here, guys.
Yeah, we do, man. Yeah, we do.
Most definitely.
Yeah, you don't find that everywhere, right? A brotherhood, a sisterhood, and it's really just, people coming together for a common dream and a common goal. It's very powerful. It really is. And, I've been sent by the Lord, honestly. Like, I guess he just put me in the trading industry, but I've been sent to free the people. And, whether it's financially free, spiritually free, just getting better thoughts in their mind, right? I am called to do that stuff, and it just happens to be through trading. But all this is God's work. God's gonna, set the spirit, above us and through this whole community, and that's why you see it grow. That's why you see it grow in the way it is. I'm just a random dude. You don't see many people grow on YouTube as quick as we've been growing, right? So especially off of a trading live stream. So it's definitely the work of the Lord. So just more of him, less of me, and everyone will be free. Everyone will be free.
Absolutely.
Set the captives free, baby.
I think that's been my biggest W this year, though. Like really getting close with God.
There you go.
Jesus Christ.
W.
Honestly, it is. Because it's just like so many things, and I look back on them, it's like, wow, bro, that was a work of God. That was a work of Jesus Christ right there, bro.
Amen.
And I look back at a lot of like moments on my life, and I'm like, yo, he was with me right then and there too, and I never knew, because I was ignorant.
You was ignorant. You was ignorant, man.
I was, bro.
But now you have seen the light, my friend. The light and the life that is in all men. Sales? Yeah, we might be sailing away here pretty soon. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily's getting ready to flip. Never broke the highs. Let's see what happens here.
Sheesh.
Next destination for this daily candle is going to be 1903 here. So let's see what happens. We got more news coming in, so we got to be very careful over the course of the next half hour or so.
Oh, yo. So look, this is why we got a massive bleeder, by the way. So they were forecasting 226,000.
Oh,
look at that number, bro. Yeah, that's like really good for US dollars. So that's why you're seeing gold bleed super hard right now.
Yes, sir. And then what does that mean? Remember where we are on the monthly.
Yeah,
right?
That was the top.
Look at this. We should see this candle drive here. Yep. Weekly.
Should be smooth sailing.
Remember where we're at on the weekly also, right, gang? We are still trading below this range here. We're still trading below that level. You know, we're coming down. We're going to come down into these levels here. 1870. Somewhere in these ranges. Just wait on it. Yeah, we're probably gonna take our sells below here. Sells below 1911 now. Let the news come out. Let's see if we can get a push down, closure below there, and then we'll look to take our positions below here. So that's the next. That's where we enter the next range here. So let's see.
I'll be patient.
JP's called. Daily flipping bearish, yup. Coming downtown. Hey, this all lines up with what we've been talking about here, right? There we go. There's the break of the lows there. Beautiful. Perfect. Perfect, chat. We're gonna have we should have a lot of volume coming in now. So let this unemployment claims come out as well, and then we'll look for positions. You should do a merch t-shirt. Wait on it. Yeah, that's a good idea. We'll have to wait on it. Just wait on it. Yeah, we got some merch. We got a lot of merch coming. We got a lot of designs being made up. So if you guys want some TTE merch, it's coming soon. Coming.
Imagine it goes back to back bleeders.
Back to back.
Because you got unemployment on the next 30.
I know, dude. Let's see what else we got here to look forward to. We have a lot of range on gold. I think me and Jose were talking about this yesterday. We have a lot of range here to go down on gold. Right? If we're looking at ranges, then this is what we can kind of see. Range after range after range. Just wait on.
If the 4 hour could close like right where it's at right now, bro.
Yes, yeah, no, I was looking at that 4 hour. Yeah, all we need, gang, is we want to see the 4 hour close below this level here. If we can close below here on the 4 hour time frame, leave a nice wick fill, we're gonna trade this range here. We're gonna start trading this range, and we are probably in this situation, I'm probably gonna hold full until like 1901. Yeah, it depends on where we get an entry at, but if anything, once we get below here, 1907, probably move stops to break even, not close any partials, and just let this thing go. because we should be able to have a lot of volume pushing us down. It's an 85 pip move. Hey, can we get 1,000 likes here? I think the 1,000 like thing is like a standard now. Hey, chat, we've been getting like 13,000 views on the streams here. We in the big leagues now, boys. Boys and girls.
Oh, yeah.
Big leads.
Oh yeah.
Can't be ignored.
Can't be ignored. Did you guys catch FOMO? Absolutely not. Oh my god, man, look at this move. I wish I was in it.
Don't catch FOMO.
Yeah, shout out to those who really didn't listen at all and took buys. And man, you got demolished. So
Burn.
let this be a lesson.
Burn, baby, burn.
Yeah, let this just be a lesson to stay away from news, man. Stay away. Stay away from news. You don't want to get burned like that.
Yeah, you already know we're catching a bleeder for Sam's B-Day.
Sam's big old B-Day bleeder.
That'd be nice.
Not so fun now. No, if they had stops at break even before news, they got stopped out at break even. So whoever had stops at break even, you guys should have been good. It was just the ones who held it at 8.15. If you were holding at 8.15, then this thing just demolished all stop losses. Imagine, gang, some people don't even know that news is a thing. They just trade.
Yeah.
They don't know about news, they don't know about session times, they don't know about volume. They just look for positions, get in, and yeah, and then they wonder what could have happened here. You know? So you gotta know about all that good stuff if you want to be a pro. But here's your 820 push as well here. So 820 is giving you a nice push right now. Look at that. That's all from 820 here, Comics Open. So every day at 820 you could expect a push on gold. Very nice, almost 70 pip 5-minute candle there.
Y'all see the power in gold. Let's see what gold can do.
Brother, what's the news? I was that guy a month ago, yeah. You're not that guy no more though. You're not that guy. Yeah, I think we're gonna wait on this 4-hour here. That's the cleanest opportunities we got. Call it the cells. Oh, very nice. $19.10. Yeah, this stuff right here. Yeah, that's why I would move stops to break even. But other than that, I want to let this thing ride today because if we're gonna push down, we should be able to really drive here today. So it'd be nice to have full positions in for that move. Slippage is destroying the general chat. Yeah, in all prop firm discords. Yeah, you're gonna hit your prop firm up and be like, hey, I got slipped. I got slipped 60 pips. You think you can give me those back? They're gonna be like, absolutely not. But I'm gonna yeah, gang, one time during news, oh my god, I just had like the perfect entry and I had a massive winner that day. But I don't like, I stay away from news now. I don't touch it. It's too unpredictable.
I don't touch it either.
Take 50 setups.
Slippage is crazy too. Yeah, we want to see this 4-hour candle close like right where it's at. That right there, oh, that would be perfect.
Yeah,
Perfect.
just gotta hope unemployment does nothing.
Yeah, just hope unemployment does nothing. Or pushes price up and then price comes back down.
Yeah.
Unemployment is gonna like slap TP for the monthly time frame.
It does that.
Hey, zigzag in the build. Zigzag, I'm not too sure, man. Not too sure. All depends on candle closures and news, and there's a lot of factors. Waiting for 4-hour close? Yeah, I think so, Ryan. That's gonna be our best bet here.
Yeah. Let all the news come out. Let it all come out. And then we'll just...
Blader.
Bleeder. Yeah, it is. What did US30 do? Usually that thing dumps. Nothing crazy. No top wick or nothing. No.
Let's X that out for now. Yeah, that's what we're looking at here. So this becomes our new range here. So let's see if we can get this 4-hour candle to close below. Hey, love from Pakistan. No, Sam the GOAT? From Pakistan?
From Pakistan?
The greatest place on earth? Really?
Pakistan meetup? Just wait on it.
With Raja.
Can you theoretically make a buy stop and buy stop?
Better men have tried.
Yeah.
It's basically gambling. You gotta take spreads into account.
You could do that, yeah. Theoretically, you can.
Theoretically.
Yeah. Thought about Norway? Oh, Norway. Boston. Oh, Boston's in the house, yeah. Boston. Get in the car. Get in the car. You talk like that? You say car?
Pablo says, Pakistan is not in the Dominican Republic.
Pablo is... Hey, Colombia's in the house. Germany's here. Oh, Sam the Goat doesn't talk. You don't talk like that? Do you ever meet Don Va? Yeah, I learned from Don. I learned a lot from Don. I sat on Don streams for like 2 years, and he helped me. He helped me a lot, big time. When will you and Don collab? Oh my God, that'd be crazy. That's up to Don. It'd be an honor. You guys gotta go hit him up on his stream. Tell him where's the time to eat collab.
Thanks, yo. Go spam Don and be like,
No,
hey,
don't
time to eat
spam.
collab. Definitely don't spam.
Don't spam him. That man cooking. Let him cook.
Respect him. Respect him.
That man cooking. Okay, here's the unemployment claims here, gang. So let's see what happens. We did get that close below. Unemployment claims should drive us down. Yeah, it's probably gonna bleed without us here.
I don't know. It might not go too far.
It may not though. It may not.
Because it came out right at the exact number.
Yep. That's good. That's good for us if we want to hold our spot in line here on the 4-hour time frame.
Hold the line for us, Goldie.
Any chance of you coming to the UK? Yes, very high chance.
Yo, I was actually thinking about that too yesterday, bro. I was like, imagine we pull up to UK and then do a London stream at 8 a.m. Gross.
What are the spreads looking like? Isn't this the perfect breakout? Yeah, but that was from news, so we had spreads. So my spreads were probably like 5 pips at that time. Yeah. It was a good breakout, but we had high impact news here, so we can't take positions when we got that high impact news like that. So we'll see what happens for this 4-hour candle. I think we should be able to get a pullback. We'll see. We shall see. Oh, the landscapers are here right on time, just with unemployment claims every Thursday. Here they come. Live stream trading from the stock exchange. Yeah, that'd be dope. Oh, we got a wrench, Mr. Sam Capital.
Ooh. I get a wrench?
I'm gonna put you in timeout.
Can't wait to head. I don't have any stories about Bali.
All right, Sam, hit a little comment in there. Let's see. There you
Oy.
go, Sam Capital.
There we go.
Hit the like button. Hey, hit the like button. Chat, we're almost at 600. We just need a few to go. 600 and 1,425 people here. I think we can make it happen.
Thank you, Yogi. Thank you.
YouTube guy, I think gold is exhausted. Yeah, see, that's why we're not taking this this position here, because we want to wait now for the 4-hour to close. Because we want to trade this range, yes, but it's all about timing too in trading, right? You want to make sure you're waiting for the right opportunity. So news came out 3 minutes ago, pushed price down, price is coming back up. All we want to see is this 4-hour candle close. Once we get this closure here in about 20 minutes, then we will be good to go. We're not going to take positions either on the last 15, because that is a dangerous candle to trade. Last 15 of the 4-hour candle. So at this point, we're just going to hang tight. We got a lot of range ahead of us, gang. You should be excited. Don't worry, you didn't miss anything yet. This was all news, and now the big players are going to come in. Right now that we got the direction, we understand where gold wants to go. We just need to wait for our closures, our playbook to show up, and we're in there. We're in there.
Sure.
Yeah, I had to wrench Sam, because you never know. The scammers be in the chat sometimes, trying to pretend to be Sam.
Yeah, if you start spamming too.
Move is done, YouTube guy. Love the stream and the community. Struggle to find people to talk to about trading. Oh, nice. Yeah, welcome, welcome. If you guys haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel too. This is a great community, not just because I'm here, but because it's just a fantastic community, man. Seriously, like, we have so many players that are so helpful, so creative as well, and it's just an amazing community to be a part of. So if you haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We're also doing a ton of giveaways here. We're doing a $100,000 challenge account giveaway. We're also doing two people are going to get a chance to win 3 months of free signals. So we got a couple giveaways coming up here in the very, very near future.
If
We
you don't
love
already,
giveaways.
throw the notifications on for the subscription.
Throw them on.
Throw them on. Because then you'll never forget we're here.
I like doing giveaways too. I always like when other people did giveaways. So that's why now that I have the opportunity to do it, I'm gonna do some giveaways. Yeah, did you say something about a lifetime offer yesterday? Oh yeah, gang. So right now, I'm surprised a lot of people actually took advantage of this. But right now, if you purchase the year package of signals, you get lifetime. Someone asked me to do it yesterday, and I think I agreed without thinking about it. But now that I'm thinking about it, I still think it's a good deal. So win-win. So yeah, if you purchase 1 year's worth of signals, you get lifetime at this point. I don't know. I'm probably only going to do that for a couple days. Where the party at, Sam? What a bloody move.
Flying to PA.
Party's in PA. Yeah, I don't know.
Should we fly out to PA and celebrate with Sam tonight, and then just come back home like later?
I'm down.
Maybe if my wife is cool with it.
Find an open field with cows, and we'll ride them. Play chicken with the cows.
Highly managed trade, sir. Hats off to you. Hey, thank you. Past phase 1, beautiful. Still not understanding why we are not looking at the 30-minute to find our setup. Well, we have news coming. We had news come in. We couldn't have taken this trade right here because this was the unemployment claims release. And now at this point, we're not going to impulse entry or anything, right? So our next option now is to wait. And what are we waiting for? Well, we got to wait for a closure. So if we look at the higher time frames, we have a 4-hour close coming up. We also have a 1 hour, a 30-minute. We have all these closures coming up. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait for this 4-hour candle to close to give us direction. Because what happens if we enter a trade now and then this 4-hour candle closes back in the range? Right? Then we're not in a good position at that point. So we want to make sure this 4-hour candle is closing below these levels here. And as long as it does, then we have clean traffic to the left. We have more clean ranges and more clean ranges on gold. We just got to wait for our setup to show up. And we got to wait for this candle to close here. Yeah, otherwise all you're doing now is taking an impulse entry, or you're entering off the 15 close, which is the last 15 of the 4-hour candle. And typically, most of the time, not all the time, but most times you'll see that 15-minute candle pull back. Yeah, you'll see that as a pullback candle. Because what it's going to do is it's going to leave a wick for the 4-hour. But sometimes that 15-minute is going to drive too. But more likely than not, you'll see it pull back. But sometimes you're just going to see it drive like this. We'll leave this on the screen for everyone who's not paying attention right now. All right, beautiful sell, guys. Closing partials right there. Everyone's popping up at their phone. What happened? Oh my God, I missed the move.
Chad's about to quake.
I make a deal with you. I'm buying 1 month tomorrow with 2 months free. Soon as I make the number of year I'm in. Okay. Yeah, sounds good. Yeah, we also, any package of signals you buy, you get 2 months free with it right now too. So if you purchase like 3 months, you're in the signals chat for 5 months now. Purchase 1 month, you're in for 3 months. Is signals everything you offer? No, I have a 8-week program as well, but that's closed down now till September. Won't be taking any more new like students for that until September. But man, almost every single person who came through that 8-week program has passed their funded challenges. Just amazing. Just perfect. That was my goal, right? That was the idea to set out, was to really just help people get over those mental blockages, right? Those learn price action, learn pretty much how to trade and how to handle those emotions. And it's been wonderful to see. It's been great. Call the PJ. Hey, yeah, Jose, call the PJ. We're out. $2,000 pips. Nice. Pass my 1 million funded account with this trade. Oh, beautiful. Perfect.
Delete red candle, it's giving me FOMO.
Yeah, maybe just don't look at the charts, right? If you get FOMO, just walk away.
Just look at me, chat. Just look at me. Just look at me, man. Just look at me. There you go. No more FOMO. Now you're like, oh my God, this is the move I really missed. What is a funded account? It's an account that is funded. It's actually doing it, yeah. I predicted the future. Yeah, so now what we want to see is we want to see like the 15, this next 15 on this the last 15 of the 4-hour candle. What I would really like to see here is, you know, something like this. Us pushing up. right? And then we get a resistance formed on the next 15 minute. And then we can take our sells coming down. What you may see though is you may see something like this. You may see the next 15 push up. So that way it pulls back for the 4-hour candle, and then the next 15 as well push up. Because what that's going to do is that's going to make a top wick for the next 4-hour candle. So, and then you may get a fake out up here, right? Fake out. And then if we do get that fake out, we will take our sells coming back down. And that'll be right around 9:30, and that'll bring a lot of volume into the market at that point. So our next set of volume is coming in at 9:30. So we're gonna wait for that, or we may get it at 9, right? We just want to see how price starts to form here as this next 15-minute candle gets going, and then as it closes up. I'm looking into your eyes. Any thoughts on how long you should trade your own account before you start a challenge? Yeah, I mean, personally, I wouldn't even. I took all my money out of any personal accounts, and I only trade funded now. So I would say pull it out, take 40 bucks, invest it into a 5K My Forex Funds account, and trade on that. See if you can get to 8% every month, and then if you can, up it up. You know, go to like a 6-figure account. That's funny. I'm not trolling. Oh, let me see here. AB. Gorgeous. Oh, let me just answer some of these messages here on Discord too. Where's Johnny boy? There he is. He's focused.
Oh.
He's focused. The people want to hear from you, Johnny boy.
Sam the Goat is good, bro.
Sam the Goat. Why didn't I sell? Why? Why didn't I sell? Yeah, we're just waiting now. We gotta wait for this 4-hour candle here. Let's see if the 15 minutes gonna do what maybe we expect it to do. No top wick yet, so we'll see. What do you think about SMC? I never really looked into it. I think I did a little bit of research a couple years ago when I first started trading on it. When I first started trading, I looked into it, but yeah, never did much more research after that. No. Walked out of the room before the news came back. My son is typing away on my computer and he hit the magic keys. I entered a trade. I hope you won that trade. Let us know. Did you win? I hope you hit sell.
I hope you won. I hope you hit sell, bro.
Hopefully hit the right button.
My dog ate my homework. I swear I didn't take that trade on purpose.
Yeah, you might have to get rid of the sun. I'm kidding. I'm having a laugh, mate. You having a laugh, mate? Yeah, I have a terrible answer.
Any Time to Eat Elite member, if we haven't done our introduction call, please message me on Discord today and let's set everything up. We got most of the introduction calls done, but there should be a few that we still have to do. So if you're in the Time to Elite 3.0, send me a message on Discord today so we can book that introduction. We are all ready to go. Next batch. What time do you trade live? 6:45 a.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday. My son last year hit on my laptop, hit sells on MT4, and I made 1,500. That's insane. Wow. All right, let's get rid of some of these lines because I just don't like it. Let's take a look at the 4 hour here. This is all we really need to see at this point. I'll join you every day from now on. You guys are great and super chill. Hey, Art Beyond Limits, appreciate you coming by. If you guys haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel here. As we just wait on gold. Landscapers are here. Son of the year. That's the son of the year right there. Someone said my son's already a better trader than me. Hey, your son made more money in one trade than some guys have made all year. W. W. Take that 1,500 and spend it on toys. I can hear the weed whackers. Yup. Yeah, this should be gone now. They were right below me. The weed eaters. Oh yeah, the weed eaters. Hey Nick, because I'm happy. I'm even happy when I have a no trade day. Oh, awesome. Yeah, imagine being mad not taking a trade. I used to do that. I used to say, I was talking to Jose too about this yesterday, bro. I used to be like, hey, if I got up early, you know, got on the charts, sacrificed my sleep in the morning, like I need to take a trade, right? And that would never end well. That would never end well. If you don't get a trade, you start going down to the 1 minute, the 5 minute, start trying to force trades. It gets crazy at that point. GJ, can we get a breakout? Oh yeah, let's take a look at US 30 real quick. Wanted to see what these guys did. Oh, nice. Look at that. Yeah, that was news though. I wouldn't have traded that candle there. So next range you have on US 30 is below here. Yeah, if you get a close below there now, you're looking good. Yeah, actually below here. Yep, right below there. You got a nice clean range now to the downside. So let's see what happens. NASDAQ, yeah, let's take a look. Yeah, everything got a perfect closure. Just news was in the way there. News was in our way. So nothing we could really do about that. Hello, sir. How can I learn trading? Just subscribe to the channel, like the stream, and tune in every day. Every day. Uh-oh. What happened? Someone lost their account? Oh.
It's Thursday. Landscapers.
Yeah, they're here. Damn. What happened? Someone blew the account with trading news or something? Yikes.
I think it was the homie.
I wish my landscaper would show up.
Oh, yo, Stefan. I'm very sorry to hear that, brother.
Yeah, it's always lessons though. Always lessons. Was that because of slippage?
No, it's because of his son.
Oh, because of your son. Oh.
He's halfway through phase 2.
Gotta close them doors behind you. That's what I gotta do. Otherwise the kids will run up in here, start smashing my keyboard, smashing the magic keys.
Yeah, they're like, Daddy, press buttons on this.
I press buttons on this.
Yeah.
Pushing, pushing. I'm a complete noob, but the minimum was almost reached. It's not good. Opinion by the dip. I'm not sure. Mate, if I come to your stream every day, would I be able to pass my funded challenge? I think so.
Morning, Red FX.
Hey, Red FX.
Red.
Have you touched down or what? Are you still flying? Are you connecting or did you get a straight flight back home?
Greenery.
Greenery.
Green and red in the building. That's it. No more colors.
Yeah, no yellow. Someone really went and made an account.
I know, I've seen that.
He goes, hello, friends.
Everyone was like, nah, get out of here, get out of here. Damn, you guys just shut yellow down like that? Sheesh. You were just trying to complete the traffic light, man, that's all.
Yeah, I forgot.
I'm late, here's my W's. Hey, Dion in the building. What up, Dion? Have a Wet FX. Wunkle Scalp. Hello, I'm Yellow FX. There you go. Traffic light combo. Yellow is no more. Green. Yo, green sounds like a mafia hitman. Like, yes, yellow is no more. And you know he's a top dog mod too, so he can take care. He can just make people disappear. Yeah, he can make people disappear. I don't know, man. He went on vacation or something. How you doing? You took care of that thing? You took care of that yellow thing, Green? What you mean by that, Green? Which funded trade do you recommend? If you're talking about account, I would go with my Forex funds or FTMO or the funded trader. Hello, sir. Are you waiting for a seller replay on gold? No, I'm waiting for the 4-hour close here. Any other color will be terminated. Alright, I guess you guys gotta make your names like shapes or something now. The colors are off limits. I wouldn't be surprised if green banned yellow.
Would.
Hope every trade is blue. You're ignoring my question. Uh-oh. Rashawn, what's the question, my friend? We like to troll, we do a little trolling.
Do a little trolls.
Rashawn, what's the question, bro? I'm looking for you. I'm looking for your name. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, let's see if we get a pullback here. We want to see a pullback or a push down. One or the other. We don't want to see it close right here. Hey, for my third funded account. Let's go, Nico. Let's go, Nico. Good stuff, bro.
Get it, boy.
My color's invisible. Yeah, so gang, this is what trading is, right? Like if you're sitting at home, you're just waiting right now. There's really nothing to do, right? Trading is a waiting game. You know, you gotta wait for those perfect A+ setups to show up. As of right now, we don't have much, right? The only thing we have, yes, we could have took this closure below, but we had news in the way, so we just cannot do that, right? So at this point, we just wait for the 4-hour. Let's just wait on it, see how it closes. It closes up here in 3 minutes, and then we'll get a better direction of where and when we can take positions here. Okay? Alrighty? Always ready, yes. Yeah, we got more news too coming. We got news all over the place today. 8:45, that news is away, so yeah, we couldn't enter on that 15. So look, we had news the last 3 15-minute candles, right? 8:15, 8:30, and 8:45. So that time you should have just already blocked out in your brain before you even got to the stream today. Right now we have a window. We have an hour window, so we have 2 30-minute candles that we can take advantage of, and if not, we wait for the other news to come out. Right? There's been plenty of times here where we've sat on stream, didn't get a trade, didn't get a position, didn't get an entry, and then 10:30 comes along and boom, take a beautiful trade. So just hang tight.
Sir, you gotta remember 95% waiting and 5% actually trading.
Yep.
Right? It's no joke. We don't say that for no reason.
Yes, sir. You already answered the question? Oh, nice, nice. I've been on the stream for a month. Oh, dope. Dope. Groomsmith. Don talked about your video, range 1, range 2. Oh, nice. News again in an hour. What are the stats? What are the stats for 10:30? Let's take a look. Let's go on and take a look. Let me bring it up here. 1 sec. Bring Don to the stream once. Yeah, he can come if he ever wants to show up. He could pull up. He's more than welcome on our stream. 10:30. 10:30. Let's take a look. This was 9:30. 10:30 right here. So W on 10:30. 10 a.m. break even. 10:15 W. 11 a.m. W. So this is I guess we'll do after 10:30. This 10:30 trade was a 14 pip loss. That was the last trade of May. 10:15. Look at this. 10:15, 10:30. 2 winners. Let's see. 11 a.m. winner. 11:30 winner. 11:15. Yeah, we took some late trades here in May. 11 a.m. Yeah, those are all winners. So yeah, if you wait for the right opportunity to come, you'll get it, right? This 10:30 was a break-even trade. 10:30 a winning trade. 10 a.m. winning trade. Yeah, so we do pretty good around that time. Yeah, we do pretty good. Yep. So I guess it's pretty good stats there. Just wait on it. Oh, just bought a 5K account. Very nice. How much can you get funded by my Forex funds? I think 600K is the max allocation with them. Can you share the empty Google Docs? Yeah, if you go to our Discord, gang, so we got a free Discord here. So if you come into our Discord, someone will put the link in the chat, or you can just basically ! Discord, come up to the announcements here, and then scroll up a little bit. Oh, I forgot to put the record for June in there. I'll do that now. But yeah, if you scroll up a bit, come here, click that, and then go over to, once it pops up, go over here to File, and then click Make a Copy. And then that way you can get rid of all my trades, and you can start to jot down your own trades in there. Yeah, shout out to Don, and I believe Badger is his name, right? They made this spreadsheet available for everyone. I've been using it since I've been on their stream, and I just continue to use it. I like it. It's very simple, clean, and efficient. Don't need much more than that. We're yeah, 4-hour candle close. So let's take a look. So we got a top wick, very nice. Pretty quickly early on there. And let's see how that 15, yeah, 15 closed bullish. So what we want to see now is we want to see a 15-minute push up, create this 4-hour top wick, and then the next 15 close bearish. And then we could take ourselves from, we could basically take a 15-minute onion play slash 30-minute, I think that would be a 30-minute, it could be a 30-minute celery play. Yeah, it could be a 15-minute onion slash 30-minute celery slash 1-hour breakout slash 4-hour breakout. So that's going to be the best possible and best possible setup, right? The most high probability setup that we can have if we could be patient here. Got to be patient. Don secretly hating on you. Oh no. I don't believe that. I don't believe
he's not. I went and made sure.
I don't believe that.
Well, I didn't make sure, but someone said that, so I was going to look.
All right, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. Gonna get some more water. Boys, you need some water?
Yes. Thirsty.
Thirsty. Patience is the key of success. You bet.
Patience is the key. Already know.
Patience
Part of our
is
job,
the key.
right?
Yep.
Part of our job as traders is to be able to patiently wait for our setup. Not away from in here.
Look how these candles are forming too. It's like Nick drew them up not too long ago.
It was good, Shad. Hey, it's in the word patient.
Yup.
Exactly, Z Gamer. What's good, Z Gamer? You get paid for to wait, right? Honestly, like we always talk about, like we got the winning strategy, man, but the patience and discipline, being patient and discipline really changed the game for me. Because you can know the whole strategy, you can know how to trade, but you can't control your emotions, right? If you're gonna get emotional and get FOMO and greed, like your winning strategy is not gonna be a winning strategy. It's not gonna work. So patient and discipline, chat, really changed the game for me. Really changed the game for me. Then I was able to actually execute the winning system very professionally. Like a professional. Get up, like it up. Give it a like, chat, if you learned something new today. That's the main goal every day, right, chat? That's the work you put in Forex. Coming here every day, acquiring, gathering experience, and building that discipline and patient muscle, right? It's literally a muscle. So you're building it each day, you work on that, right? Each day you get FOMO and you don't tempt into that, you don't feed into that temptation, you got stronger there, right? Yup. Facts. Oh yeah, he's smelling the bleeder. We all smelling the bleeder.
I'm smelling it.
Smelling it as well.
30-minute celery. Yep, 30-minute celery looking good. Sell stops. On the next candle, we got a wick fill and more room to drive, so should be good.
Hey, Bradley. Hey, everything is mental, chat. Everything. Anything you do in your life, it's all mental. If you're just mentally, if you're properly thinking in any situation, it's gonna be a better outcome for you, right?
Yep.
Mind is the most powerful tool God gave you, except for Himself, right? Yo, people be sleeping on their brain. People be sleeping on how powerful the mind actually is, because it was just given to them, right? It was free. People are so focused on the things that aren't free and everything that has to do with money, they forget about all the things that are free that are actually better than money.
Yeah, everything you need is pretty much free.
Exactly.
Yeah, this is where our sell stop, wherever this low is, that's where our sell stops are going to be. So as of right now, 1905, 950, somewhere around there. If it makes a steeper low, then we got to adjust it. Best things in life for free. There you go. Why we can't enter on the flip? You can, but if you break the low, it gives it much more confirmation. And I'm not talking about entering on this candle, by the way. I'm talking about the next candle. Yeah, I want to see this candle close pretty much the way it looks, and then that sets us up for a celery play at 9:30. So once these lows right here break, that's our entry, and then we get in, we fill this wick, and see if we can continue down. So that's what I want to see here at 9:30. So we got some time. Let this candle do its thing, and then we'll look to take our positions.
Just wait on. Can you guys sit on your hands for 20 more minutes? I think so.
Right, that's the patience we're talking about. You can do that, you're really gonna build the muscle today.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. As of right now, stops would be right around that 1910, 950 area. We may be able to move those stops on the opening of the next candle high, but we'll see. Let's see how the 15-minute close. Yeah, 15 hasn't closed yet either, so just hang tight.
Yeah, today's a perfect day to build that discipline and that patience muscle.
Yeah, if the celery play waits for us today, I believe this is going to be a really, really good one too. Because look at the 4 hour, right?
Mm-hmm.
4 hour wants to drive. But if we can, if that celery play waits for us here today, it's going to be a great position.
Is it ever?
Yeah.
See if it's gonna wait for us.
Why don't you take a trade on the break of the lows? We got a top wick already. Because there's a lot more volume that typically comes in at 9:30. So unless we really get like a resistance formed here, then I'd like to wait at least for the 15. But more and more volume will come in at 9:30. So chances are this candle will flip back bullish and hang around this range until 9:30. But sometimes it'll end up driving. So you got to make a decision. Hey, do I wait for the volume at 9:30 or do we get in now? So as of today, we had a lot of volume come in. I think we could wait for 9:30 and then we could find our next set of volume come in then, and that's where we could take our position. My hands are numb. That's a good sign. Yeah, stop loss is very big at this point. So we want to see this candle pull up and then the next one break the lows, and then our stops will be the current candle on the next candle. There's also a 15-minute support right here. So let's see what happens with the 15-minute as well here. Oh, Nepal in the building. W day for chilling. What about the support at 1905? Well, yeah, I want to see the 15 close below. If we do take it off the 15, that has to close below. So we'll see what happens there. If not, we'll wait for the 30. Yeah. Why stops too wide? Why? Why? Yeah, we'll see. This is going to be perfect. Just give it some time. First week of the month with all high impact news, always a little tricky. Yup, extra patience. Exactly. Read my mind. Yeah, first week of the month, got a lot of news coming in, so why not be patient, right? Why not wait for the best, highest probability setup we could find, just like any other day, and wait on that, right? We got a lot of news. We got NFP tomorrow here too, so should be interesting. Yeah, a lot of news at 8:30 tomorrow, but after the news at 8:30, we should have a lot of volume to keep driving down. Nike. Where will the stop loss be placed? In case you take that 15. I don't think we're gonna take the 15 here. Let's see. Yeah, not gonna take the 15 here. Never close below that support. So we need let's just wait on the 30. 30 is gonna be our highest probability setup. If we wait for this 30 to pull back a bit and then enter on the break of the lows there.
Yeah, this is the first time I'm seeing this. You see the new Instagram app?
Nah.
Threads.
Yeah, Threads. Instagram Threads. It's like Twitter, but on Instagram,
Threads?
bro. Yeah,
we
it's
got
like
Threads
Twitter for Instagram. I kind of like that.
Yeah, it's like going viral today.
Hold up. Yeah, I didn't see that till now. I'm about to check it out.
We're going viral today, gang. Yeah, it's the new Twitter. Uh-oh.
It's like a separate app on the App Store, but you link your Instagram to it, and you can like keep all your followers. That's crazy, yo. But it's just more like, yeah, I don't know.
Update GJ. Oh yeah, let's take a look at pound yen here. Okay, so GJ's starting to break out of the box here. Let's see, what do we got? The thing is with GJ, man, nothing to the left. So I don't even know what our target is on buys, right? Let's take a look at the daily. I have not been liking GJ lately, to be honest. To be honest with you.
Hey, bro. Not at all.
DJ's not that guy anymore.
GJ's not that guy anymore. Not that guy. Used to be that guy.
Daily candle on GJ, bro. Crazy.
Yeah, we gotta wait for pound yen to close here. Let's wait for a 30-minute closure.
It's time for US 30 or NAS 100 to take GJ's place.
Yeah.
I agree.
Musk versus Zuck. Let's take a look at US 30. 4-hour candle has, okay, cool. So yeah, 4-hour candle, man. If it breaks the lows here, I would probably, let's take a look at that lower time frame. Are we past that? Yeah, wait for a 30-minute candle to close.
Right at a
close below, yeah. Right at support. GJ's not that guy. Hey, 1,500 people here. Shout out to you guys, man. Hope you guys are having a great day so far. Hope you're enjoying the stream. If you haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel for your opportunity to win a $100,000 challenge account. Coming real soon. We're also doing another giveaway, 2 giveaways for 3 months of free signals. So if you're subbed to the channel, you have an opportunity to win. And man, that 100K is life-changing. Life-changing. So one lucky winner will get it.
an opportunity right there. Yeesh.
Hey, Nikolovsky's in the building. Let's go. Hey, chat, can we get 1,000 likes here? If you guys haven't liked the stream and you want to see a 30-minute celery play here and you were patient and you didn't jump in on these sells like I told you, like the stream. If you did jump in on these sells, like the stream. Oh my God, we're at 1,000 now. Hey, chat, who took the sells here? So those who are asking why we're waiting, that's why. That's why. Yeah, like it up, gang. Can we get 1,000 likes here? Come on, man. JP didn't give me the signal yet. To get the giveaways, I'm gonna buy a 100K account now. Oh, nice. Maybe you'll win and maybe you'll have 200,000. Yeah, one lucky subscriber is getting a 100K account. That's what's up. If you have the skill set, you're gonna change your life. It's the best channel to learn how to practice patience. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, that's really, honestly, what I wanted to do was really kind of show people what trading is all about. Like, it's all about waiting patiently, being disciplined, not settling down for weak entries and sloppy moves, and waiting for what, you know, you have backed up data on, sample size data on, and how to be a professional. You know, too many people are showing the glitz and the glamour and all the nice things, and it's those things are awesome to have. They're very cool to have, but before you start thinking about that, how about we start thinking about actually getting the skill set down and paying off something that you can maybe start to pay like now, right? You know, your Lamborghini's cool. You're gonna get that in 4 or 5 years, right? 3, 4, 5 years. But what about right now, right? What could you do right now with the money? Could you pay your rent? Could you pay your mortgage, right? Could you put some money in the bank? Could you pay off some debt? Can you pay for your kids, I don't know, baseball or football, or you know, all these kids in all these sports now, right? Can you pay for something with that, right? What are some things that you can do right here, right now? That's what's got to get you motivated. Hey men, how about retiring your wife? You think your wife really wants to spend time with her boss over you? I'd hope not. How long have I been trading? Since 2019. Could you buy more challenges? Yeah, there you go. Could you afford, maybe you guys are trading your personal account, right? Could you make some money this week to maybe purchase your own funded account, right? And level up in your life, level up in your trading. How cool would that be, right? What can you do now? Don't get fooled by the glitz and the glamour out there. That's why Forex has such a bad name. When some people hear Forex, they think about like a scam or something. And that's because you have a lot of influencers and a lot of people on Instagram and all these social media platforms preaching the wrong messages. All right, preaching the wrong messages here. So don't get fooled, man. Don't get fooled. $77,000 per trade. Finally, a generous American that said football and not soccer. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, why do Americans call soccer football? Or football? Yeah, why? I don't know why. When was the last time you failed a challenge? Last year. Sometime the beginning of last year, I think. Those influencers. All right, look at this. We never broke the highs here. So let's see if over the next 7 minutes we can push down and maybe get our celery play. I have been exercising my vision. Think what it would be like to retire my parents and in-laws. Yeah, amazing, dude. You can get it. You can do it. You just got to believe in it. You got to get that vision crystal clear, right? Man without vision will perish, the Bible says. When there's no vision, there's no enthusiasm. When there's no vision, there's no goals. When there's no goals, life becomes very boring. You know, I remember when I played a lot of baseball growing up. And then after baseball, you know, I got too old to basically play like in those leagues. I wasn't going professional or anything, but you know, once I walked away from athletics, I got a job. I become stagnant, right? And I didn't have any goals. I just got into the mundane routine of waking up and doing the same thing every day. And then I got involved in a business and I started setting goals again, and it brought me back to playing athletics, and it made life more entertaining again, right? So when you don't have any goals, life begins to get very, very boring, and you start to slip into that average mentality of doing the same old thing every single day, right? Wake up, go to work, come home, eat dinner, go to bed. Wake up, go to work, same thing over and over again. So once you start setting goals, now you have some stake in the game every day. Now you have something to look for every day, look forward to getting closer to every day. And that's what God created us to do, right? To always, you know, when I die, and God willing, maybe He gives me 100+ years. When I die, man, I want to have a goal still that I was in the process of accomplishing. At 100 years old, I want to still have goals. So get used to making goals in your life, creating goals and vision, and your life will start to get some excitement in it. Yeah. Johnny boy sleeping. That boy's sleeping with his eyes open right now.
Yo, Sam, how's Sam doing? How am I sleeping?
What?
Nah.
Yeah.
Sam always chatting.
Right? That's not even how you spell my name, too.
Yeah,
That's not good. Yo, but I'm up, bro. I'm wide awake.
He's up, trust me.
Locked in.
That boy don't sleep. That boy been up since what time? 1 a.m.?
2 a.m.
2 a.m.?
Yep.
That boy working, trading London, trading New York.
Sir.
Oh, nice. Eric, 64 years old and retired, using trading to support my travel. That's awesome, dude. Yeah, that's amazing.
64 years young.
Yeah, young.
64 years young.
You're a young man.
Don't say old.
Very young.
I just got roast for that.
All right, so that's why we did not take sells here, gang. Right, we got 930 coming up. Did we break the highs here? I don't think we broke the highs just yet. So let's see what happens. We really want to see a 15-minute resistance now. So what can happen is the first, and this is what we talked about happening, didn't we? About price coming up to this level and giving us somewhat of a fake out on the 15-minute. So maybe the first 15-minute candle of this 930 candle gives us that resistance, and then the second one is our trading candle. And that should be the driver here today.
I love that.
Yep. Just wait on it.
Don, how long have you been trading for? 2.5 years.
Would you be on a trading reality show? I don't think so. Man, nothing good ever happens to a reality TV show actors. They all just get hit with the wham. Why don't you go with the trend instead of waiting this long? It's just not my strategy. Yeah, there's many strategies out there, gang. Many strategies. They all work. It's just, are you willing to work them? I'm not profitable yet. Praying and working hard towards my goals. Hey, I'm praying for you, Jason, that things would start to click in your brain and that you would start to become profitable, man. Who is the youngest amongst you guys? John. Definitely John. We're the band. My band, my band, my band, my band,
My band.
my band.
Damn, that brings me back to better times.
That's my band right there.
I'm Steve Gang. G Gang.
You just don't even know the name of my band.
1 hour could still be a celery. Yeah, exactly. 1 hour. We may have a 1 hour celery, but then again, we got news coming in. We're trying to navigate ourself around news here today a little bit too. So, you know, be aware of that stuff, gang. There's a lot of things. If you're new to trading, there's a lot of little nuances, right? It's not just press buy and sell. I promise you that. Your Instagram guru is lying to you. He's lying to you.
Yo, if you ain't creating content, then you're consuming it. So I don't know. I wouldn't want to consuming it too much. So check where you're at. You know?
The father of TTE and the uncles. Yeah. Uncle Scalp, Uncle Sam, and Uncle John. There you go. What's your opinion on EA Robot? I am the EA Robot. Yeah, no, I've never used them, so I'm not too sure. I try and be robotic in my own, you know, my own self, but I have never used EAs or anything like that, or you know, bots. My band.
Same at 4G. Should be fun, bro. Should be fun. Looking forward to it.
That one time in Bandcamp? That's funny. Do I have a story of that one time in Bandcamp? I don't know, man. That might have to be for a private Zoom session. I am the bot.
Nick on MT5, the 30 past the previous 30 high.
All right, that's perfect. I'm not worried about that because we got the 4 hour highs could break 30s. I want to see a resistance here on the 15, right? This was the plan the entire time. So if we can get a resistance formed here, we can take our sells coming down. But we have to make sure we're waiting carefully for this, right? Don't just jump in right now assuming that's going to happen. We got a closure right at resistance. So what happens if we were looking for a buy here? Would we take a buy if we're closing right at that resistance? No, right? So normally we would say, well, let's not take buys because if we're not closing above, price could push down. So in this situation, if we're not closing above, price could push down. So let's see how this 15-minute candle closes, and then that's going to be our potential entry, right? That's going to be our direction here. So let's see what happens. How long did it take for you to become consistently profitable? About 2.5 years. Yeah, it took some time. But yeah, we did break the highs there. I did notice that. So we'll see what happens.
That could be different for you, my friend. You know, don't compare yourself to anyone's process of how quick anyone could become profitable because that is all up to you. Right? Yeah. You're the individual in the process. You're the one who's in control, right? Who's in control to get quicker results, to learn quicker, you know? So it's all up to you and how quick you want to learn this.
Yep. It could take
how serious you are.
It could take me 2.5 years, it could take you 2.5 months.
Exactly.
Hey, who entered the buys? Tell us now. Tell us now if you're in these buys on the break of the high. I want to know. Don't tell me when price looks like this. I want to know now who's in the buys. Who's in them? Now your knees are quaking. From where did you learn trading? I learned from Don Vo and Raja Banks. Those were the two guys that really helped me out. Yeah, especially Don, right? Raja gave me the foundation of the strategy, but Don really he really made it make sense for me. He also helped me out, especially with ranges and the whole range 1, range 2 breakout. Like, I learned all that stuff on his stream with him, and it was such a pleasure being a student on that stream and just humbling myself and learning and growing, because I always wanted to impact people myself, right? So I was able to take what he was teaching and apply it in my own life, become profitable for quite some time, and then decided to go live, start a stream. And he really inspired the stream as well. He really helped me get an idea of how to create a culture, right? How to create a culture within the community, within chat, and just have nothing but good things to say about Don, man. He's been great.
Shout out Don. Facts. It was a vibe being on his stream in school. Made school less boring.
Yeah, John was on Don's stream in high school, so.
Sure.
And then Raja obviously is amazing too, right? He put me on with candles, with volume, with session times. Like, I didn't know about any of that before I met Raja and started learning from him. So they've both been just incredible mentors of mine, and I've been able to capitalize off of what they've taught. All right, who got in the buys again when we broke the highs? Talk to me. Did you begin on demo? Nah, I never really traded demo. I always just put some money in an account and lost it. In the beginning, it was just, and look, we got a really good stop loss too if this is going to be our resistance. So this should be pretty good. Let this candle do whatever it wants to do here. Stops are going to be above like this candle here, 24 pips. Did you ever watch Sean Lee? Yeah, I watched a lot of Sean Lee. Haven't really watched or even seen any of him probably in like a year though now.
Is that the
All people in
Astro guy?
Okay.
I haven't heard him in a long time.
Who that?
Sean Lee.
Yeah, Sean Lee.
Last time I heard that name, he's beefing with Raja.
Yeah, him and Raja always used to clown around. Funny dude. Smart Raja concept works. Yeah, I took the market fluidity. I took Smart Raja concepts. I've watched pretty much every video that Raja has ever put out. I've watched. And same thing with Don. Like, I was obsessed. I still am. Like, I still go back and watch a lot of stuff. But yeah, I was just super obsessed and wanted to get the job done.
Obsessed. Yep. But Nick, that 5 hour, man, that 5 hour course from Raja changed the game.
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
Changed the game.
Yeah, that's true. FNAM. Yeah, you can't really. It's tough to get the emotions when you're on a demo. Yeah, when you're on a demo.
You don't get the emotion, and that's the majority of trading. Being a professional trader, you need to master your emotions.
Yep. Yeah, someone said blown live account is where'd it go? Basically, yeah, you just charge it to the game, right? That's tuition. That's what he said, tuition. So yeah, you gotta pay, right? You gotta pay to play, gang. Gotta pay to play. You can't just walk in the game and assume that you're just gonna win right away. You gotta be in it for the long haul. One thing about me is I think I had an advantage. I learned all about process. I learned all about persistence, consistency, mentorship, how to stay positive, how to keep my emotions under check. I learned about all that stuff before I ever got into trading. So once I got into trading, I just had to remember what I learned, hone it in, get it all dialed in, and then it was a wrap. I was able to do very well.
Don't even know what Nick was doing 10 years before this. Sheesh.
Yeah, I've been on the grind, gang. I've been doing this, not trading, but I've been doing things for a long time now.
Chasing freedom for like 15 years plus now.
Why are you not selling? I haven't had a confirmation yet to sell. Just wait on it. Let's take a look at pound yen here. Yeah, look at that. Fake out. Oh, look at that. 1 hour never, or 30-minute never closed above. You see that? That's why we don't take positions. So you see the same thing happening with gold. This candle barely closed above. So we'll see what happens with this next candle here. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ. Let's look at US 30 real quick just to get an update there. Okay, yeah, this probably would have been a position I would have taken. Let me see. No. Nope. At this point on the NASDAQ, I wouldn't have taken that position. I would be waiting for a close below there. So if you get a closure below there, that's a new position that you could take. And that should be pretty clean coming down into this like 149 zone. So just wait on that. Let's see the 15-minute here. Yeah, wait on this. Wait on this 15. I would wait on the 15. Because remember, we're gonna dump into the second half of this candle here. So I'm off, boys. All right, man. Have a safe flight. Have a safe flight, Red.
Peace, Red FX.
Good stuff. 20 pips now on a buy. I'm trailing my stock. Hey, where were you at when we were asking that question the first time? I said I don't want to hear about it when you're in profit.
Those of you who got buys, I hope you guys know why, you know, shouldn't get in those there in that situation.
Yeah. We got about 6 minutes for this 15-minute candle to close here.
Scott's hedging.
But
I am in. Why are you guys telling me now? I told you to tell me before. Took the GJ fake out. Oh, nice. Very nice. Yeah, not a bad move. It didn't close below for me, but yeah, good job. Can you have a look at US 30 real quick? Yeah, let's take a look. Yeah, US 30, let's look to the left-hand side here. Yeah, you're pretty clean. Wait for that closure. Wait for this 15-minute close, and you're pretty clean to come on down. So US 30, I would probably have some sell stops on the next candle, depending on how it opens, you know, a good old top wick, all that good stuff. And yeah, looks good to come down. Sell CAD JPY. I'm waiting for jobs in 20 minutes. Yeah, worst case we wait for right for the next set of news to come out. 4 hour is, you know, potentially still creating a top wick here too. So. Ooh, baby.
That 4 hour does need a top wick.
Yeah, it looks like it's about to hit that little level on the 4 hour.
Yeah,
really
hit that previous.
Right here.
Yeah.
That's this level here too, right here on the 30-minute. So, okay, so we didn't get our resistance right there. Now next level we can get our resistance is possibly right here.
there.
So let's remove all the drawings here, right? We have a resistance level here. We have support level right here, right? You guys see that support? Very, very choppy range right there. So we need to either close above for buys or close back below on the next candle or next 15 or 2 15-minute candles. And then we could take our sells, you know, below there. So yeah, that becomes our new no trade range, and we wait for a breakout here. You guys see this range I'm talking about? See all this to the left, very choppy? We wanna make a decision here. We wanna say, are we closing above or will we close below? And then we can make our moves and take our buys or take our sells. Chilling with the ice cream.
Yo, look at GJ, bro. Trash. Nah, don't even look at it. Don't even waste your time. Save your eyes, bro.
Save your eyes.
What the hell I'm looking at, GG. Yeah.
Like, wasn't that candle like way up above the resistance, like right before 9:30? What happened to it, bro?
Yeah, man. That's why you got.
Literally, that's crazy.
Very important to wait for candles to close.
The last 5-minute candle just drove right back down below.
Yeah, pound yen. Pound
GJ
yen.
just be trolling, bro.
Yeah, this I would have never taken because we never even closed below. And I would have waited for a closure below here anyway.
Or a sell.
Should we wait for news? Yes, we'll most likely be waiting for this next set of news here. This is the last 15. If there wasn't news in the way, I would, I mean, we need a closure above or below here. But if there wasn't news in the way, then I would maybe consider a position. But let's wait for the news, and then yeah, we got news all over the place here today. But 10 a.m. Where are we? Thursday. 10 a.m. seems to be the last of it, and we should be good to go after that. So maybe 10:30. Maybe there was a reason that we looked at those 10:30 stats there. GJ trolling. GJ trolling? Oh.
Nick is cooking.
Cooking. Aussie time.
Yo, sun is cooking, bro. It's starting to get hot.
I can tell it's about to get really hot.
I bet it is down there, bro. I better be quaking.
Oh, yeah.
But there was a day that
Pretty-
it was super hot. I was like, yo, I don't even know how y'all just be like walking around down Florida, bro.
Just walking around.
Just getting cooked.
It's nice and warm and chill and
Yeah, no, like I love it. I would
morning, but then it gets freaking hot at like 10 o'clock a.m.
Let's see here. Let's see. Guys still in those buys or what? Did you close partials? All right, sweet. How many signals do you give out for the paid signals? I try and do like 2 to 3, like 2 a day. I mean, if there's a trade, right? There's got to be a trade set up for us to call a signal. So we almost had one last night in London, but we closed with no bottom wick. And then Asian session's been a little dead over the past. Asian's usually pretty dead in the first week of the month. Just hanging around. I closed. How did you get to be on Don's stream? Did you know him before? No, just seen him on YouTube. I think, yeah, I think a friend of mine told me about him. 50 pips? Oh, you must have had 2 positions open, huh? What city am I in? I'm in Tampa, Florida. Oh, look at this. Would you look at this, gang? Would you look at it? Oh. Signals chat has like a 87% win rate, I believe it is. It's like 87 or 88.
I thought someone said it was higher than
Nah, I think it's like 88%. It's a little bit better than the stream because we took like.
Oh yeah, I guess that still would be higher.
Yeah.
That's what I was gonna say.
Would you look at that? Yeah, the signals channel actually We went on a 2.5 month win streak on the signals channel, and then we lost the trade. We lost that one trade. I think that was the last trade. Oh no, that was in June. Yeah. So right here, this for 10 pips. Yeah, for 10 pips. But other than that, been on a pretty good streak there. Yeah, if you guys want the signals, you can find them in the description here. They're right now it's buy any package, get 2 months free. And then if you buy a year worth, you get lifetime access right now till probably the end of the week. I don't know. I don't know how long I can keep that one open for. Oh, show us how to find the news on Forex Factor. Yeah, you just they have all the news right here. So the red folders are going to be your major news events, your high impact news. All these yellow folders are like medium. So I always tend to look for, I look at all of them, but anytime there's a red folder in the way, you want to make sure you're navigating around that during the session and making sure that you're aware of it, right? And not, because think about people who are in buys up here. Let's say they weren't aware, they just thought, hey, we're gonna go up, and they weren't aware that that news was coming out. They just got demolished, destroyed. So yeah, you want to be careful. So all right, cool, gang. It looks like we may get our resistance forming up here. So this is what happens when you wait, right? And you wait patiently and you don't jump on anything outside of your plan. A lot of times through the waiting, everything you want is gonna show up, right? Go rewind the stream. We talked about this. Two 15-minute bullish candles and then a resistance, right? What was that? I think that was right here. Let's see. Yeah, somewhere right here, right? So we talked about all this happening. We got the bullish drive up. Now we're just waiting for that resistance to form and then see if we can come back down. So this is all planned, right? It's all planned. Plan your trade and trade your plan.
Yeah, that's why we're so logical, chat. Some of you all get emotional. We are mad logical because of our plan.
Yeah. Don would be very proud to see your success. Oh, nice. Yeah, I hope so. Do you know why? Oh no, I'm not too sure. I think it just works better for him. 5 minute probably just works better for him. Yeah, he probably learned some things. I haven't really paid attention this year, but I'm sure he has learned some things on how to create a better edge with those lower time frames. And yeah, I'm sure he's doing really well. Probably trading better than he ever has. So it's working out well for him. So I'm happy for that. Just till tomorrow, please. Yeah, I don't know how long I could leave the lifetime access open, gang. Like that's pretty big.
Do one more day.
Yeah, maybe we'll do one more day. What should I do to maximize my income for trading after being profitable? Oh, you mean like new investments? Oh, there's a lot of stuff. E-commerce is good. Real estate is good. Investing, just look for all
flip anything.
Good investments. Yeah. I love your streams. Hey, I love you. I love you for tuning in. W patience. Yep. Yeah, just waiting for what we want here, and remember, you guys, you hear me talk about being a negotiator, and I hope you guys see a trader like living it, right? Not just talking it, but living it out, and being that example is showing you guys that I will not deviate. I just won't do it. I will not deviate from the winning plan, right? That's what winners do. They stick to a winning plan, and you guys are going to see a perfect example of that, because I'm so far past all the FOMO, all the greed, all the I need to be in a trade, I need to make money, blah blah blah. I'm so far past that at this point. Like, there was a time where I was that trader, but not anymore. I'm not that guy anymore, right? So yeah, if we break the lows here, that'd be just fantastic too.
Oh yeah, as professional traders who are thinking long term, right? Like, we're not gonna break our plan because we're thinking long term. Like we don't want to cause bad habits. If we go against our plan, we're gonna do that again in the future, and that's gonna be in the long term. So if we're thinking long term, we gotta make sure we're doing everything correctly, professionally, so we can be successful in the long term, in the future, right?
Yep, exactly. Best would be to wait for next week. Lifetime access for lifetime. Yeah, maybe we'll wait for next week. Give more people opportunity. You send me 1 BT, I send you back 3. High dividend stocks. There you go. Yep, John Holmes. This guy Sam said, I'm downstairs right now. I just looked over. I didn't even know he was not there.
Yeah, right. Same.
I love your stream, bro. Hey, I love you, man. I love you. You withdraw your profits into a company? Yes. Yeah. Yep. Avoiding a fake out here? Potentially. Yep, potentially. I'm just hanging around.
A lot of people got stopped out just now, thinking that they were going to get into buys and ride it back up.
Yeah, Nick, why aren't you buying the lows? I love you, bro. Bars, I love you. Bars FX, I love you too, bro.
We might have our onion with our original cells from before.
Yeah, we might have it. The only thing we need to do, gang, is just we gotta navigate around this news release here. So let's see what happens, because we can't take a trade right off the rip here, or you know, once the candle, we gotta let news simmer down just a little bit, and then we can get in, because this is gonna be some high impact news. It comes out in 5 minutes and 28 seconds, which is the close of all these candles. So we have everything that we're looking for is setting up perfectly. We've waited this long. Don't force anything now, right? We waited. We're waiting for the opportunity to seize our, take advantage of our edge. Let's let this news come out, and then let's look to get into the markets.
Sorry.
2 weeks ago, I would have tapped the sell. There you go. Yep. I'm almost 100, broke and rusty. Yeah, what does this look like to you? See, this doesn't look like a wick fill. This looks like a rejection with a resistance formed. Support down here. What should we do? Fill it. Fill it. Let's take a look at the higher time frames here. So 4 hour is starting to push down right after creating a top wick. Daily time frame has flipped bearish, broken this wick right here, pushed down. We should continue down, right? Weekly's bearish, monthly's bearish, daily's bearish. 4 hour is making a top wick and potentially going to flip. 1 hour, same thing. You have potentially a onion play here on a celery on the 1 hour. 30-minute onion, 15-minute onion. So just give it some time here. A few more minutes.
That's how you put the chapters together to create your story. Beautiful.
Your strategy is so simple. Yeah, not many people recommend it, but it works. Yeah. One thing about me, for those that have been on the stream for a while, you know that, I don't do well with complicated things, right? So my gift is I could take complicated things and really just break it down to its most simplest form. And I feel like that's what I've been able to do here in my own trading strategy, right? The way I trade. So I try and keep it as simple as possible. As simple as possible. But 1 hour celery playing out here too. Possibly.
Oh yeah. This is setting up nice.
Does anyone have a discount code for Magic Keys? Yeah, I think you can get if you click the link in my description. I have Magic Keys, I have my Forex funds. I think you get a discount, but I'm not 100% sure. How do you trade a fake out? Exclamation point Range 1, range 2, I think it is. IG, exclamation point, Instagram. Oh yeah, exclamation point, MK for magic keys. There you go. Clutch, Green. Yeah, simple strategy, simple to respect the rules. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you guys can go watch our range 1, range 2 video. That'll give you a good idea on how we have been able to avoid fake outs.
Very simple, because all it is candles, right? It's price action, it's candles, and the only indicator we use is our eyes.
Yep.
Read the candle. So it's simple.
Yep. So yeah, looks like our close is coming up here in 2 minutes. Man, I really wish we didn't have, if we didn't have news, right after we got a top wick, we'd be looking for positions here.
Most definitely.
So if the news comes out and kind of messes around up here, creating a top wick for some time, and we get our spreads to go down, then we'll probably have sell stops on the break of the lows. But we want to let news come out real quick, let the dust settle, get our top wick, and then look for entries. Yeah, I'll probably look to target 1902 here. It's about a 60-70 pip range. So much news today. Yeah, I know. Lot of news.
Yeah, I think the need to take a trade and the fear of missing out, it just comes from a lack of time in the market, right? It comes from a lack of experience. Like when you're doing this every day for like weeks and months and years, you don't get that feeling anymore, because you know when you wait patiently, those setups come.
Yep.
Yes,
and
sir.
you always know there's another day of trades.
Oh yeah, look, there goes the news right there. Yep.
That would have been our move, chat.
And there's our move.
Yeah. No news topic, that's our move.
That gap on my Forex phones? Yeah, look at that.
Boy. Yep. Yeah. On a trader, it just opened up, didn't make a top wick, so bleed.
RIP all buyers there.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna come back and make a top wick too. So RIP all sellers too in a couple weeks. Just wait on it. There's no setup here, game.
Just wait on it. Would you look at that? Hey.
Wait on it.
Active Traders Broker is good. I've never heard of them. Never heard of them. But hey, shout out to 1,600 of you guys here. 1,600 plus. Appreciate you guys coming by here today. It's a lovely day, and we're trying to navigate through news here. We haven't taken a position yet. Waiting for the most high probability setup we could find, as we do every day, and just haven't been able to get that yet, right? So just still waiting, navigating through the news waters here, and looking for the best opportunity we could find. But if you guys haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel now. We are doing a $100,000 challenge account giveaway here pretty soon. So all you got to do is be subbed to the channel for your opportunity to win. And man, give the stream a like. How are we not at 1,000 likes yet, chat? How are we not there? Those are rookie numbers. Got to get those up.
That's. Oh yeah, but shout out all 1,600 of you here. You know, wherever you are in your journey in Forex, you know, the more you continue to build the habits of the professional traders, you know, the more your results, the quicker your results will show up. That will prove to you you are a professional. So shout out y'all for being here, putting in the work.
Yeah, 1,600 people putting in the work today here.
Well,
Putting in the
top
work.
wick right now. There we go, top wick.
Yeah, we need this top wick on this 1 hour, and then we'll see what happens when we close. Because where's the 1 hour again? 1 hour is right here. So yeah, if we get a top wick here and things start to settle down, then we'll just wait for a closure below, and we'll be fine. We got a nice range here. I think we have yeah, coming down until about 1901 here. Yeah, 1901.
and US 30 and NASDAQ 100 need top clicks.
Yeah, let's take a look at
Need entry.
the Dow and the NASDAQ here, because those were coming up to closures, right? I think so.
Yeah, or we're actually closing right at support for one of them. Same thing.
Whoa, where we at here? Okay. Yep. So US 30 still needs some time. Look at NASDAQ. Oh, why am I on the 15-minute here? Oh, what is this? Somebody.
Not NASDAQ. Yeah, I was about to
I'm
say,
like, yo,
what is
hey,
it,
didn't
bro?
someone tell us to look at this one though? JER 40. JER.
Yeah, I've heard someone say it before. That thing looks like it's about to bleed.
Yo, this
bro.
thing.
Well,
this
go to the
thing's
4
going
hour. I've never looked at this pair.
downtown. Oh man, look at this. Look at that push.
Wait, go to the daily.
Wow.
Holy.
What is
Holy.
that?
It's about to start meltdown. That's the German stock exchange.
That's a bleeder. Hey, Nightbot, that's
Their
a
top
bleeder.
40 stocks.
That's the true bleeder.
Yo, that's about to be like, tourniquet's not gonna save it.
Tourniquet's not. Alright, what happened here with the NASDAQ here? So, yeah, you needed a top wick. So I guess news came out, right? News dropped and all candles just dropped but no top wick. So that may be what happened there.
Yeah, I think so.
Same thing here, right?
Yeah, honestly, other than that wick fell on NASDAQ 100, that range is chopped.
The only thing that got a good top wick is GJ. But like,
GJ.
there's no setup though, because it's literally just still in a range.
DJ's been cut off.
GJ has been terminated.
Yeah, bro,
Last
that's the
month.
thing too. It's the only one that gave a top wick, but it's gonna troll the hardest
Yeah, right?
once you actually get into it.
GJ likes to troll, chat. GJ likes to troll.
Yeah, it does, bro.
Right, GJ?
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called We Do a Little
We
Trolling.
do a little trolling.
Is that Trump that said that, or GJ?
Sub to the channel. Oh, thanks for subbing to the channel, man. Who's that? Roberto. Sell now. Darren Pang. You need to be charging for those signals, my man. But at least make sure the strategy's good, right? Sell now.
Yo, nasty, yo, that's so funny, dude. German 40 about to do a rainbow setup, because it goes up and then it comes down the whole way back to zero. That's what the setup on that looks like on a daily, bro.
On the daily.
I forgot about that, bro. It's doing a rainbow.
Yeah,
Goes
well,
up.
remember with this daily candle closing no bottom wick too, so. You see this level down here, 1904, 1903? We really need to, the daily candle really needs to make a move and close below there. See this level right here? Because below there, then we have such clean candles, clean traffic, all the way down here to like 1877. So that's the holdup, as you can, if you haven't noticed. It's that support level there. So will this daily candle be the one? Will it be the one? Oh, chat, we're almost at 1,000 subs here. We're almost there. I mean, I'm sorry,
1,000
subs. We've been there. 1,000 likes. 1,000 likes. Hey, chat, remember when we hit 1,000 subs? How cool was that?
That's sick.
That was cool. And now we're on our way to 8K here. So if you guys haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. There can only be one.
I'm on sell.
Yo, Nikolovsky in the building.
Nikolovsky's here.
Oh,
Nikolovsky's been with us a long time.
He says you're like a level 99 witch doctor. You got experience like one.
Oh, I don't know what that is. I don't know what's going on there. Me no speak English.
Nick, you got experience like 99 level witch doctor. That sounds crazy. Whatever he's talking about sounds crazy.
Gordon, what you talking about, man? Oh, Nikolowski.
What you talking about with us?
It's in that brain of yours.
Nikolowski for 3.
Alright, here we go. We got that 1 hour celery forming. This looks nice.
1 hour celery.
I made a little top wick. It made some.
It did a little trolling.
Did a little trolling.
For the 1 hour?
It did a little trolling.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Me no speak English. Diablo. GJ's a bleeder. David, what up, brother? I love you too, man. I love y'all. All y'all.
Are you making a trade today? Well, we're trying. We're hoping.
We like to
I need
trade.
the ingredients.
Are you making a trade today? Are you making a trade today? Are you making a trade today?
This,
Wait, look, I can put my wrench to work.
Yes, let's go.
Boom!
Stop the spam.
oh, Sam Capital, make them disappear.
Yeah, I'll let you
Josh,
know,
Sam.
too.
I'll let you
Sending
know.
hits in broad daylight.
How many setups do you have? Like 3 or 4.
Are you making a trade today? Are you making a trade today?
Maybe trade, maybe not.
What ingredients do you need to make a trade?
Exclamation point spam. Yeah, we're creeping here. We're creeping. 1 hour gonna break the lows? Who knows? Talk to him like. When
Facts,
can we?
Richard, it's 100%.
When can we enter gold on your perspective? I think we need to wait here for at least a 15-minute candle to close below support. We got about a 30-35 pip range coming down, and then you know, you got more clean traffic down here to like 1893, 1894. So we'll see. We'll see if we even get a closure below. Gold is stuck.
Gold's exhausted. Exhausted.
4 hour looks good. What do you think? Let's take a look. Yeah, 4 hour looks clean, gang. That's what we're looking at here. Is where can we anticipate this 4 hour candle to go? Right? If it breaks the lows here, we can anticipate that this 4 hour candle should be good, right? If it's breaking the lows, it should be good to drive down to tap into 1984 here after creating that top wick. So that's potentially what we'll be anticipating this 4 hour candle to do. Now, in order for us to enter on that, we need to see those closures on the lower time frame so we could be sure that that's where we're headed. So that's what we need to wait for. Just hanging around. Let's move this back up. We can get rid of this. Yeah, that's where we're at. US 30, kindly, I will show you US 30. Yeah, one closure below here. That's what you need now. If we look, we have a pretty strong support right here. So if you can get a closure below that level, you have decent traffic. I mean, this was the range we really wanted to trade in, but price is pushed all the way down with the news. So the next level now is really just a closure below support, and then you have clean range coming down into these supports down here at like 33,800. Yeah. That's the next range. Wonder why there's no volume? Yeah, the news kind of pushed us around a little bit, and that was it. That was it today. I think the daily candle may have a lot to do with it. Closing with no bottom wick. Support right here.
I agree.
1904 has a lot to do with it, right? Or 1903, whatever it is. We really need a closure below there on the daily time frame. Yeah, we get that close below. Like if today we close below there, then you should see a lot of volume dumping in tomorrow, which is Friday. So you'll see something. You get a closure like that. Yeah, tomorrow will be a very high volume day. You should see the next daily candle drive.
Later. I agree though. I think that's why like with the no bottom wick on the daily, I think that is 100% true.
Yep. That
It's
is
like, I feel good.
No, I was just gonna say that and just that support.
Yeah. But I don't know. Personally, I feel like I'd see that a lot. Like it doesn't matter what time frame. Like if the candle closes with no top or bottom wick, if it wants to keep driving, then it's gonna make like a massive bottom or top wick, and then.
Nah, that's true. But price action's pretty simple at this point. There should be no confusion. Should be no confusion, right, Scott? Scotty boy? Where are you, Scott? Where are you?
No nervioso.
Everyone blew their accounts and went home. Not everyone on the Time to Eat stream. We got 1,600 winners here, either winning today or being patient today. And either way, if you're following your plan, you are an absolute winner here. No matter what the outcome, whatever the result is on your P&L, if you followed your plan today, you have won the day.
Follow the plan equals automatic W. So if you want those W's to add up, that's up to you.
Remember, no one single trade should make a difference in your trading, right? That's why you never see us getting all pumped up when we win trades, and we win a lot of trades. And you never see us getting pumped up about that. You never see us dwelling or, getting all sad on the losses. You just see us straight chilling, right? Every time, just no up, no down, right? That's because no win and no loss, no one single win or single loss can really make a difference. Unless you're risking your whole account, then you may have some issues. But at the end of the day, man, you're just you're
not that guy.
You're not that guy.
Me. You're not that guy.
Yep.
You're just not that guy.
We're profitable off a series of trades from the playbook, right? Not just one trade. And we don't think about the outcome because the professionals don't. So if the professionals don't, then we don't, right? Because we want to be professionals.
Yep. We don't want to be them. We are them.
Exactly.
But yeah, I think we just got one trade here in July so far. We're looking to get on the board. We had like a 94% win rate here in June, so it was a good month. I think May we had 87% win rate, something like that. 87%. Every month has pretty much been 86% plus. So the strategy works. It's the patience, right? You just got to be patient with it.
Hey, you're $30 away from passing your first challenge. Hey, let that come naturally, though. Let that come naturally on the next best trade. Try to get it quick or anything like that.
Love the videos you made about range 1, range 2. Oh, nice. Also explaining the playbook entries. Would it be cool if to see one about candles with no wick? Yeah, we'll do that one too. Gotcha. No wick. I got you guys. Any topics you guys want me to go over, just let me know, and we'll make like a 5-6 minute video about it.
Are you gonna do the range you already created?
Yep.
That should be like a short one.
Yeah, we're gonna do a video too about sometimes we come to the markets and the range 2 has already been created. So how to know when, how to spot it, how to know when that range 2 has been created. So you could just take sells below, you know, certain levels. But thank you guys. Thanks for sharing the video. Thank you guys for liking it, viewing it, commenting on it. Appreciate every little bit of support we get. Not gonna lie, I get hyped every good win. Am I not cool? Nah, you good. But when you're winning, when you win a lot, you pretty much expect to win. So when you're expecting to win, I mean, it's just another win. You know, I like to get excited at the end of the month, at the end of the 2 weeks, or you know, when the money hits. When the money hits. Yeah, you see, we need see how we're rejecting there, no top wick. So we gotta wait on that. NAS 100, we also gotta wait. Same thing with every pair, right? We just dropped down in the beginning of that news. So we'll see what happens. But this is the plan here on gold now. Buys above here, sells below there. If we don't get anything within the next, I don't know, 35, 40 minutes, then we'll call it a day. Hey, yo, can we like the stream? We're almost there. We just need a couple more likes. A few more likes, and we're there. If you have not liked the stream yet, if you could, everyone just like it at one time, I think we can hit 1,000 very, very quickly. I think this has been the longest it's taken us to get to 1,000 over the past week or two. Chat seems so down. Yeah, where y'all at? Chat, where you guys at? What about the breakout? It's coming. It's coming. 15 minute and 30 are both the same breakout. Austin, what up? Oh, there you go. 1K likes. Hey, W. Hey, get up a little bit, chat. Stand up, stretch out, put a W in the chat, like the stream. Go use the bathroom. Give me a sec. I'm gonna be right back too. Just spam the chat with W's. Just get some excitement, man.
Hey, let's see the dubs.
Where y'all at?
Roll them up, roll them up.
I'll start the train.
They at though. Are you in a trade? No, was that Leo?
Layla's in the building. Layla, bud, say hi to everyone. Say hi, everybody.
What's up, Alea?
Oh, chat's frozen, I think.
Yo, I know. I was expecting a bunch of W's.
Stop the chat. Oh, not one W. Oh. Uh-oh.
Y'all
Chat.
sleep.
Is my internet frozen or something?
That's what I'm saying.
I think my internet might be frozen. This is not likely. All right, give me a sec. I'll be right back.
Oh, chat, where you at?
That's what I'm saying, bro. Wait, what's
Frozen.
going on?
Come here, buddy. Come.
What's the point of this?
It has to be broken. There's no way out of 1,500 people, there's nobody here.
Hey,
My live chat's not even moving.
That's what I'm
same,
saying.
bro.
It's not moving at all, bro. It has to be broken.
That's
Oh, here they come. Now they're
There we
coming in
go.
now.
Whoa, yo.
I'm not seeing anything. Oh,
Wait till
man.
wait till it hits, bro.
It was
Damn.
like delayed or something.
It had to be delayed. For all of us, though? Like, what?
Yeah, I think it was
I
like
guess
on the
just for
YouTube
YouTube.
server.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now it's all loading in. Wow.
Hey chat, 8 more minutes.
Get this breakout.
All we're doing is just sitting here. It's pretty chill.
YouTube
So
was
let's wait
down.
8 more minutes.
That's crazy. Someone said, I think Future FX said that YouTube was down.
It had to be, bro.
Yeah, like that's so weird though, bro. Just the chat though, not the stream or like the whole website.
That's what I'm saying. It says error word.
That's what I'm saying. I was like, yo, what?
Nah, facts, Richard.
That's so crazy, yo.
There it comes. Push down. Let's go.
WW
Push down. Push down.
1904 line. The 1904 line is that support, brother.
Yeah, if you look left on the 1 hour, you'll see her. You'll see it.
Remember chat, look left to get ready.
If you go to the 15 minute, you can see it respected it too. Like an hour ago. But it's the same line. Whether you're on the 1 hour or the 15. How did I do in the poker tournament? Yo, I was killing it yesterday, bro. I was up, I was 4th place with like total chip stack. I had like 32,000 chips at one point. And then, like we were still on stream and that, and so then it did like a 4-minute break. And it was just like in another like tab, and I just had that YouTube live stream up, and I was just sitting there like reading the chat, you know, talking in the Zoom. And then I forgot I was playing. So then I come back and I'm always down at like 17,000 because it's just sitting there putting my ante in, and when it comes around and I'm big blind, I have to put in chips.
Oh yeah,
then,
did you win that account?
No, because I forgot I was in a tournament, bro, because we were sitting here on the stream, and then there was a break, and I just like switched tabs back to the YouTube, and then I completely forgot I was playing. And then I realized like 15 minutes later, and then yeah, bro, I was like,
And how many people are in the tournament?
like 400 or something, bro. I got like 40.
Sheesh, bro.
I don't know, and I forgot I was playing. Crazy.
Buy or sale? Buy or sale?
Are you in trade, sir?
I was milking though, bro. Nasty was playing it too, and dude, nobody, like half the people know how to play, half of them don't. Like they'll be like, they won't even have a pair on the board, and they'll be like, I'm all in, shove all their chips, and then you just call them, and then they lose. You take all their chips.
Take them all.
It's just like whenever you guys sit there and you start selling, whenever the price don't even create a resistance. You need bearish candle. Like done.
Are you in a trade, sir? No. Nope. 4 minutes. Let's see if we can get a closure here. If we don't get a close, then probably gonna dip out. Can we go for a trade now? Sure, why not, man? Why not? Do you have any videos explaining your strategy? Yeah, you can look at the playbook video. That pretty much sums everything up. Quick video sums it all up. We'll be dropping a lot more videos like that soon. Just wait on it. John Wick is missing.
Hey, hero of the day. I did not say that.
Hey, yo. Yeah, we might get a position on pound yen. If we get that 30-minute closure, pull back a little bit.
Hey, yo, chat, don't believe hero of the day.
That was not, I'll confirm, that was not John.
Oh.
Somebody said it, but it was not John. Nah, nobody said that. You know who said it actually? Who's hero of the day?
Yep.
He's like,
That.
Yeah, we're gonna probably use current candle stops. So let's see what happens here. Nick, gold is almost ready. Hey, greetings from Milan. Oh, Milan. Greetings, greetings. Thanks for coming by. Thanks for stopping. How many people do we have here today? What do we got? Oh, nice. 1,623 people here. 10,000 in and out the door today. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. 1,576 here right now. Hey, shout out to you guys. Shout out to all you overtraders. Like the live, man. Hey, yeah, like the live. What Flame Fire DJ said. The playbook's a great video. I've been watching Don for months and did not good. Oh, thank you, bro. Thank you very much. Daddy Golf. I have a tough decision to make now. Picking up my wife from work or staying here and waiting. Boy, you better go pick your wife up. Your wife gonna be tight. Waiting out there. Look, where is this guy? This damn Forex thing. The real decision you gotta make is, when are you retiring your wife? That's the real question. When are you telling her she don't need a job no more? You don't need a job no more. You got the Tesla. Hey, if you got a Tesla, you're good to go. You trade and drive. The future. Okay, we got 1 minute here. Let's see what happens. Are we going to get a bottom wick or no bottom wick? It would not surprise me today on a day like this if we got no bottom wick. 20 seconds.
Honestly, legit right out of support. Like.
Yeah, I think there is like a support. Well, yeah. Yeah, honestly, I don't really like this 1904. Like, there's another support right here, and then another one right here. So this gets a little tough, gang. I don't even think I'm gonna take this, to be honest. Yeah, let's see how it all plays out. We get a top wick up in like. We get a top wake up to like 1905, 410-ish, then yeah, we make it in on the break of the previous candle lows. So let's see. What is that? 1903, 153? $1903, 153. Take a look at pound yen too here. Yeah, I want to see a steeper top wick here. Let's take a look at GJ while we wait for that top wick. Oh, GJ closed very close to support here, so probably not going to take anything on GJ. Yeah, you see that support level right there? All these wicks down in this area, close right at it. But if gold gives us a steeper top wick, I don't know if it will, but if it does, then I'll look for entries. If not, this area, gang, is a little sketchy as well. Little sketchy here. Right? It's not as clean as these other ranges were. So if we can go up and break the highs again, break the highs again, tap into this 1905 range that we left from, and then re-break the lows, then I will consider it. It may be asking for a lot, but that's what I want. Just wait on it. What would be the TP on gold? Well, I would probably look to close partials right around, probably around these wick fills down here, 1900. So what is that, like about 20 pips? 20 pips. Yeah, there's a lot of range, but we don't know if price wants to get there today. Let's take a look at pound yen. Yeah, that's fine. No worries. Yeah, GJ might want to continue driving down here. Look at all this rejection to the top, so may want to drive down. But nothing looks grade A here to me. Doesn't look nice to the left. Yeah, it doesn't really look too nice. GJ sells? No sells for me. We didn't really close below this level, so I'm not gonna take any sells there. And gold, yeah, gold I want to see a little bit of a steeper top wick. Let's see if we could re-break the highs, come up, and then break the lows again, and then I'll probably have a position. But until then, not touching it. US 30 got the rainbow play. Let's look. Let's keep this high. See if we break it again. US 30, no, yeah, look at that, close right at support also. Just a bloody day here. Just a bloody day. Is the promotion still available? Yeah, all the promotions that we discussed are still available. The only thing is, gang, the Time to Elite membership is completely closed up, so we're not. That's completely filled now. Yeah, if it goes, it goes. If it goes, it goes.
Chat. Don't stress if we don't get a trade today. You know, there's always another day, tomorrow, next week. You know, there's months and years full of trades, so don't be stressed about one day. Trades are like buses, like Nick says, right? There's always another one coming.
Yep.
Or just wait on it.
Just wait on it. There you go. That other person's like, I could feel you saying it. GJ is just a mess. Yeah, it is. Yeah, the best sells on gold, if I'm being 100% logical here, the best sells on gold are honestly below here. Yeah. You know, a lot of rejections in this area, a lot of rejections, support, clean traffic to the left. Right? That's going to be the best range to trade in. Right here. That way you have a nice clean range coming down to 1994. But will we get that today? I don't know. On a fund account, is there a quota that you have to make every month, or is it at your own pace? Nope, it's just at your own pace. So whatever you end up with, then that's what you get paid out on. What lot size do you use? I use 10 lots. No trade day is a trade day. Yup, exactly. Yup. Which prop firm do I recommend? My Forex funds. John is a motivational speaker as well. When will you see you on a TED Talk? Yeah, I think we're gonna call it. Green. Hey, Green, what do you think, bro? What do you think, Greenery? Talk to me. Talk to the chat. I knew that happens. That's why I traded the London session. Yeah. That was a smart move to trade the London session this evening because you had a lot of news in the way here. Lots of news in the way here for the New York session. So, not a bad idea if you guys traded the London session today. What lot size should I use for the 10K account? I would use like 0.50 or one lot, depending on. Yeah, see, you got nothing here, so not much going on. Is there a time limit in my Forex funds? Yeah, I think they give you like 30 days. 30 days. Yep, there it goes, breaking the highs again. You just didn't want to listen to the YouTube guy, huh? Didn't want to listen. Hey gang, I've only been trading gold here every morning for 3 years now.
Bro, chat, you don't know how long it took to learn not to trade at a support and resistance level. Just don't do it. If there's no, you want to see clean candles. You need clean traffic. If there's no clean candles, you're gonna get in some chop, and it's not worth it. It's never worth it.
Yep.
Yes, sir. Like, I think the best option at this point is just wait and see where the daily closes.
Just wait on it. Yeah, same here. Yeah, chat, that's gonna be it. We're gonna call it a day here. No trades. We're not forcing anything here. You know, we had a lot of volume today, but volume doesn't always necessarily mean that you're gonna get positions. And as a professional trader, you cannot look at this and say, I missed this move, blah 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 blah. Like, no, like we waited for our play today, and that play didn't show up. So therefore, we just sit on our hands, right, and come back another day, right? So that's going to be the day here for us. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Tomorrow is what, Friday, right? So tomorrow we have NFP a little bit after the NY Open there at 8:30, and then we're pretty clear throughout the day. So I'll see you guys mañana for NFP, and safe trading. If you're still trading, I would personally just shut the computer and call it a day. But if you are still trading, just remember, be patient, wait for the playbook, wait for the setups to show up, and that'll lead you to a good day. So love you guys. Hope you guys have a great rest of the day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Like the stream on the way out, sub to the channel on the way out, and throw some W's in the chat for the way out. All right?
Yes, well.
Boys.
Love y'all.
I'll see y'all, man. Y'all have a great day, right?
Deuces.
Later, gang.
You guys take it easy.
Peace.
Later, gang.
Sam, enjoy your birthday, bro.
Yeah, Sam, happy birthday. Hey, happy HBD on the way out here today for Sammy boy. Later, gang.
Enjoy it, brother.
We'll do tomorrow for Maverick, too.
Hey, we got Maverick tomorrow. Yep. Hey, love y'all. Have a great day, all right?
Yep.
Peace.
Love y'all.